hasi chabugufi hazazamurwa bicishwa bugufi chabugufi. Yes. Africa byari bimeze biti barakwereka intambara zazikomeye kujya mbere aho twamenya ni hehe photographer yabaye Jack Chris associate producer yingirije umuhimbyi mwana wanutse Roy Badi karimo cyane Composure Music bagabo b'imikara bari hano Wild Geese inyoni zo muri Afrika byose na Afrika bikiye Tujya gutwara kweza indege ifashe inzira irimo kumanuka indege irerekera he ngiyo Concorde indege yirukanka cyane iyo ndege itenga gacurama akatsindwa iriruka Mr British Airways ndege y'abongereza yarimo kupaka ku kibuga cy'wabo bote hano please so here mu cyongereza please here kuko barimo gucisha abantu ku kibuga hari wari waje maze aricara we ntabwo avuye mu ndege ahubwo asa n'uwamaze akanya undi waje amushaka wumve muri Robbie
you're late.
Watch it. Please.
Because it's better if your visit to this country wasn't recorded by immigration. Took a bit of doing. I assume you're keen. I am. I'm also cold and tired, so could we move rather rapidly along?
Ndasa nunaniweka nano nukonje. Bibi ntabwo nshaka kujya menshano twerekere ku cyanzanye. Kubakaje. Navuga numusazi kwa Kirundi. N'abantu bakuru. Abantu bakuru bari mu bihe diri. Urebe abantu urenuka abantu bakuru bagenda abantu bakuru nimubona muhanda muje mu ntinyo. Wumve diri barimo. Cyo shaka kuno yakirwa n'undi muntu mukuru. Nari muzanye. Bibi kapubye abandi bantu bakuru barabiterura. Ko yakinjira ndi nibashyira ku kibuga. Kumba winyinjira za kamera zimwe zo muri control room ziramucunga neza. Hari uwo yaraje kureba. Wumve.
Colonel Faulkner?
Thomas
Balfour.
These are called.
You come and meet Sir Edward Matheson. Matheson is in merchant banking. That's correct.
Neza kwa ntabwo naje no kubitsa cyangwa se banking kubitsa by'ibyanjye. Yaje muri deal ntabwo yaje ku banking kubitsa amafaranga. Bra, Kanokina.
What do I call you? Sir Edward. You do?
Mwite Edward, not cyane, you do cyane.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Yicarira hanyuma nawe uzamakane twani.
Yes, it depends upon your definition of good.
Nizere kwaje neza.
Air ticket and an unsigned check for £2,000 are pretty fair persuaders. I assume that's for my time, my trouble, and a rather rushed meal on the plane. Would you be...
Bataje kumuganga mission yigeze gukora nabwo nawe nibiye bikomeye ndetse ntabwo byari bimeze neza. Niyo mpamvu muna mission taragenze neza. Bamucyo kunywa sukayi. None.
Please, feel free with my whiskey.
Tuza umere neza kuri whisky yanjye kandi nyimazemo.
Thank you.
Bamuhe ko bamu.
I'm dry when I work. Yes, so I've heard. There's a special clause in my contract which says that my liver is to be buried separately with honors. I'm not a very humorous man.
Contract zanyu muskoze kora umva nanjye ndumugabo utajya wirengagiza.
Explain to me what happened to your contract with Julius Limbani.
Ngiri byakubayeho na
My
Limbani.
name out of a hat. It was a disastrous failure.
Warananiwe. Nabonaniwe.
He didn't arrive.
Limbani naramutegereje ntiyagera ku kibuga naramutegereje. Bakira barakwereka uko byagenze. Limbani ninde? Yarategereje witwa Limbani ndege yararimo yarashimuswe Limbani.
Limbani, I'm sorry to interrupt your nap. Divert the plane. No friend of yours is waiting to see you.
Indege irimo muri aka kanya nyakubahwa Limbani ije guhindurirwa gahunda. Turashaka kujyana aho twifuza. Mr. Limbani, President of Mozambique.
Sir Edward.
Nyakubahwa Edward.
Why?
Kuki Limbani yaje gushimuswa n'abandi bantu?
Cover.
Mission yiswe Cobra yabamushimuswe Limbani.
Put all the pieces together. Just for the exercise. General Ndofa, one of the most corrupt dictators in Africa.
Yarabatse Cobra ndamuzi.
Limbani is head of state. Now, do you mind if I cut through all this?
Limbani baramushimuswe n'umukuru w'igihugu.
To hold Limbani for him, and then refuse to give him back. They announced that he died of a heart attack, and then threatened Ndofa they'd set him free.
The dogs.
Ndofa can't stand the possibility of Limbani reincarnated taking over his country again. So he's offered some of our copper concessions in return for the secret delivery of Limbani into his hands.
And you want me to intercept him and deliver him to you?
Ikibazo cyane Limbani yaje gushimuswa n'abantu baranje bavuga ko yishwe n'umutima. Limbani
And
baracafunze.
taken to an army barracks at Zimbabwe.
Bamujyanye muri base ya gisirikare muri Zimbabwe.
One day, and personally execute Limbani and scatter his ashes.
Baragira ngo Limbani bazamwice ko bamaze gutangaza ko yapfuye yishwe n'umutima hanyuma ibintu birangira bagije ko abishaka leta itinduka icyo. Limbani acyafitwe n'umutima. Afungiye muri Zimbabwe.
Arrival in Zimbabwe.
Niba rero mushaka ko mission yukora ngaje kwazana Limbani mukoye muri Zimbabwe ntabwo bigoro.
Hold General Ndofa in Kurundi while I'm grabbing Limbani.
Muze gufata generali muri mungambi kwa Kirundi hanyuma nanjye ngene muri Limbani. Hanyuma niba mumenyemereye ibintu ni sawa. Ngiye gushaka abasore. Abasore.
Well, first of all, I have to find out if the project is feasible. If it is, I send you an account. I don't discuss fees. I get what I want. I realize you get...
Ngiye kubanza gusuzuma niba ko commission munumyeho ishobora gukoreshwa amafaranga tukageraho hanyuma kandi nibyanga nzagaruka mbabwira niba bishoboka nzabwira ko muma amafaranga kandi sinyangana amafaranga muzamba gusa muri byo shaka. Je nawe itegura. Agiye gufata umuntu witwa Limbani washimutse muri Mozambique haruguru ya Afrika y'Epfo gatoyi Mozambique.
This is it?
Ariho.
You're too well known to stay in a first-class hotel. Now, in here is a passport, driving license, all the usual papers, and a phone number.
Yerime yawe hanyuma kandi passport.
Me. It's my job to provide you with everything you need.
Ni inshingano zanje kuko ibyo wakenera byose je nzonshingana
The
nawe.
area around Zimbabwe, plus a scale model of the barracks, plus all the details you can get me on the Garrison Square.
Je nashaka kugira ngo mubwire amakuru y'abasirikare bari muri Zimbabwe hanyuma nanjye nakene ndi gukora gushaka abasore banje.
If he's alive, he's here, someone in London.
Niba Limbani ari muzima byanze bikoze minsi mike cyane muzabonana muri London. Nisanga ari n'umurambo ukiri muzima muri Fresh 3 nokira zawageza wana mu gihe gito cyane.
Granted, no contract.
Abasore nukubabona nabindi kandi sinshaka kumuganiriza ibindi ndashaka ibikoresho nifuza.
Good looking.
I know the name Sean Finn.
Hanyuma ndashaka umusore witwa Sean Finn n'umugabo usa neza cyane Sean Finn.
Same goes to him. No Sean, no deal.
Na Sean Finn mumboneye nadi uzabakorera arasaba kundi muntu witwa Sean Finn. Sean Finn ninde? Sean Finn yagarutse yitwa Roger Moore amazina nyakuri ngo Sean Finn. Aramutse atamubonye ngo mission nabwiye kugende neza. Kumbe Sean Finn yarakasiriwe. N'abakomando barimo kugenda bisuganya Sean Finn ngo yibere ku yandi majoba akora iki? Sean Finn yasabye kugira ngo azamufashe. Sean Finn ngo yinu ari turuza bisanga kiyewe data sinzi ko babonye umuhumeke. Ngo biziki. Sean Finn ngo muri bwato. Muri bwato yewe data reka tubereke ibyo twikoreye n'ibyo twazanye ni umuhumeke gusa. Wabla byano byabyita Sean Finn. Kumbe Sean Finn yarabaje kumutora arimo arasamuka kwa boss. Nyiri bwato nimo hana rara niho bakorera akazi niho babyinira. Sean Finn bamwishyura kwa boss afite n'umupaka wa boss muzanye. Wewe wicarira hano boss araje. Nije rinda ku muryango ariko shaje. Kumbe boss nibikumbi. Awuzana rubizi nawe ngomba ufite mu munyu. Uriya mufaka misukari. Abona
You don't come in here.
Ni cyabazanya.
You got problems with the Martin.
Uyu mugabo yarafite ikibazo ngo n'abayobozi ba London.
I'm sorry as hell.
Nihangane nyakubahwa Gazelle. Mugende mwana kobwa mugende mutangasa mugende. Bose barimo kwiyumvira igikorwa cyari umunyu n'icyari isukari. Baramwishiriye. Kaba wicaye wakapo. Wira niki kibaza mu cyumba
You
cyawe.
told me I was carrying heroin.
You should have told me I was carrying heroin. Wari kugira ko cyangwa
You
urumogi.
think the delivery list was for Hershey bars?
Wacheka ko wiki bari cyo byara nabo.
Cash.
Ndaketse ko ari cash.
I didn't push drugs ever.
Urabizwa najya ntwara urumogi.
You're telling me what you do or don't do for me?
You are telling me what you do or you don't for me. Uri mwambira ibyo ukora n'ibyo udakora.
Randy, break me 2 items you like on this
Nicyo
man.
kigabo kibona akaboko cyangwa akagura ushaka ukinsorere hanze. Kiginga so kiranasuzugura. Kaka, bone babwiye. Urabona ni wamusoro. Nawe mwegere ukapo. Urabona. Babwa ko nje nabyemeye. Nje nari bro ni boss wanje ushaka ndetse nanabikora.
So back in the States, you finished?
Naranje kuvuga.
Yes, son.
Yego. Naguru.
Open it.
Fungura bwabo.
Open it!
Fungura bastard. Fungura mjinga sana. Open it. Duri bamuhaye ngo nagenda tembereze mu mujye cyo kuruga abantu urumogi.
Slips into one bag, just for convenience.
Fungura.
Now here I am, just starting to work for you.
Dore aho ndi.
Beauties.
Umuntu ugana nkanjye ugatangira kunkoresha ngo ukorere njya gucuruza urumogi rwanjye
Young
sabana.
girl.
Akana gato kakogana
She was
ngo
alone on the bed.
kari karyamye ku gitanda.
Dying.
Dying gapfa.
That's when I opened the package.
Nibwo namenye ibyo wari wamaye ndani.
So what I'd like you to do is
Icyo nshaka gukora.
eat half.
Eat half of it. Buri wese wowe n'uwo mugabo wawe muri gice gice. Kuba burye. Bastard. Niko n'umukire niko twandika urumogi. Ko ari ugabo yabandi burye. Bastard. Titiri kuye umutwara mikiri mugabo. Target. Mana n'umukire kap. Burye.
It's all yours.
N'urwa bari. Please. Mabarira.
The words exactly.
We ayo magambo niko umwana yapfuye arimo kumbwira ngo mubabarire.
I'll do it.
Yeah, bastard. Bungu durye. Dore urumogi wukatwa. Kokaina yewe yewe. Yapo bapo. Urumogi rungana kokaini irica mu minota mike cyane uri hungana n'utwito. Muka. Ndabona bitatu ya gas. Byabyuka bijyana mu maso biriza. Urugo kubuza umwuka neza neza wa muginga.
That's strict.
Bana babandi wahora kuroga.
Still there, say that.
Tubana ni wa muswawo.
So,
Sinfin. Roger Moore amazina nyakuye mu kintu tune twinshi. Yakina kitwa Octopus. Osikari rugingo rw'imeke cyangwa rw'igisheke. Rugingo Osikari.
Emil.
Kana gato tuve kwishan fini tugakuno hari umugabo mwongereza no kana keza cyane yibere mu rugo n'umwana we.
That's a pretty good meal.
What do you mean pretty good? It's one of the best meals I've ever cooked.
Cold lobster.
Well, I had to unwrap it, didn't I? Come here.
Kana kumbe kari yakuna papa nawe yari umusirikare. Tuve kwishan fini mu nyibya akora. Yari yamuze icyo basigaye yicururiza urumogi. Uwo yari umusirikare. Hari uwavuze ati nintabona shan fini mission nagenda neza. Tuve kwishan fini tugaruka ku ruhande. Hari undi mugabo nari kumwe n'akana ke nawe yari umukomando.
Now, when do you get home from school for your Christmas holiday?
Kana wanje urabizi neza ko gusezeranya wiga neza nakubwiye ko tuzatembera ushaka. Sibyo?
You even mind? Come on, Dad.
Now, isn't that a fantastic coincidence?
Umva
You
papa.
know, this is the guy that wine with you.
Why?
Mwana wanje simama mukunda imama ushaka kujya gutembera nihe.
All right.
Umva.
This is how it goes. On December the 30th, you and I and a couple of suitcases are jumping on board an aeroplane.
Where are we going?
Wait a second.
Kuri 13 z'ukwezi kwa nyuma
Skiing.
uzatembera.
Switzerland.
The very thing.
Oh, boy, I think...
Tujya muri Finland akana karifuza kujya gatembera papa yaremeye. Nakinda kurana kora akazi akanya kabonye kiruka gatembereza nanjye nagafite.
We're going to stay in a beautiful little inn.
I'm so excited.
Mwana muto tujye kureba ibirere bya mbere byiza n'ikindi.
Why don't you try screaming? The neighbors are dead anyway.
Nuje ikibazo navuze cyo kugira. Kabanza gukangura n'abaturanyi kuko gukangura abaturanyi wa mugabo uhawukira kugiye kujya gufata umugabo witwa Limbani akamuvana mu nkambi mbi cyane yo muri Zimbara yaraje kureba n'umusirikare uyu yarabyaye akana ariko akabyara kererewe be n'umugabo mukuru w'u Rwanda afite kuntu rungana. Yabyaye yarakerewe kubera igisirikare. Brabra. Naura kaza neza. Ugiye guhebukanira. Kandi n'ibyaje cyane byasasa byamanukaga bitwidunda. Urinjana mu nyubako.
What was all that screaming about? Well, that was Emil expressing mild satisfaction. Emil, come here.
Nari kumwe n'umugabo muto yarimo gusakuzana asa n'abarimo kuneza neza n'abaturanyi basakuriza. Naura kaza neza.
A product of expensive English education. What a pity they don't export it.
Excuse me, sir.
Tunyangane banya kuba.
Hope to see you later, sir.
Tubonane mu nyuma nyakuba. Kana kaneno gafite aspirin. Nako dispirin nani bagiye. Ko kaza sotse. Kaza no kugira abantu tubonane mu nyuma banya kuba. Ubwo kakagara basize kugira ngo bakuru biganire yuko yakicaye.
Actually,
Nah.
they all gone.
Urashaka iki? Izoga isanzwe ya Kinyarwanda. Urashaka wako kunywa kahe? Amusukiramo. Kagwa ka kizungu nta mikiri hari.
To the next 10 weeks.
To the next 10 weeks kubyumweru 10 bisigaye wiki.
To you, Raven. Over it.
Ndaza kukubwira ntugire ubwoba wiki. Tumwe. Ari nakwitembera n'akana none kijya mu byumweru 10 bisigaye. Baka bagabo baranywa bakuri mwebwe mu mwiryagaguzwa aramumfa kumwa gusaka kumwero bimuhere iki sigara wicuza. Baranywa. Nga buretse ndanye nakanga gutomerega. Naho turajya.
Oh, no, Alan. I'm not available. I'm trying to go old gracefully. I'm searching to see if I can find my God. Trying to learn how to appreciate life.
Niba nashaka kwiga kugira ngo ndebe ko nakwiga ubuzima bw'abaturage babaho hanyuma ndebe ko nanabwemera
All
nabwishimira.
that crap shit. I do. You're right. All except the I'm not available part. I know.
Usibye jewe ntabwo mari.
All right, I got that from the top.
Sawa.
Tell me.
Naye raje ngubwira gambwira.
Incidentally, how's that 19-year-old French beauty? Oh, that 19-year-old French beauty is now 29 and living in Paris. She left you?
Agakobwa kawe k'imyaka mu bugabo bwa 19.
Once or twice a year. I have
Ubu yakaba afite 20 kumureba mureba kabiri mu mwaka. Nibyo gusa.
What would I do with you full time?
Nakora iki?
He's a wonderful boy. Weekends and holidays are the greatest moments of my life.
Nishimira ko yakora kanjuga ngufite. Weekend zose ngakamara nako.
December 13th. December the 13th.
Kuri 13 tuzajya muri Finland. 13.
Tell me, how's Jenny?
Mbwira wemeze bite.
She died 3 years ago.
Umugore wanjye yarapfe imyaka 3.
Cancer.
Yishwe na cancer.
I'm sorry.
Yahangana.
Fine woman. Yeah, she was a great woman. Look, Alan, checked it.
Niyo mpamvu ntabwo wari wamenye ikintu nyuka uretse ejo kubwira. Niki se kandi?
Come on, tell me. How the kids? How the kids?
Mbwira nibiki?
Oh, all right.
Baba.
Don't see them much anymore. I think they're not too happy about me. These are beautiful.
Yes, yeah.
Ushobora kutanezezwa n'ibyo ngiye kubwira ko washushanyije neza gushushanya banza kumwinjira neza mwereke ko rwose washushanyije neza
15,000 a year.
uri n'abatangira kumwereka ukuntu azi gushushanya neza kumubwira ashaka mwijira
Limbani is alive.
nimba naracyari muzima
Don't care.
Yes, you do.
urabikunda
There's one African leader you do care about. It's Julius Limbani.
Now I'm telling you, Alan, I'm finished with all of that.
narajya mu
You
mwanda
won't, by the way, so are you.
sinshaka kugira ngo nongere gusubira muri uwo mwanda nawe ukabona urumva murimo
Apart from your sparkling personality and the fact that you're the finest planner I've ever known, what I've always admired about you, Rafa, is your idealism. Bollocks.
icyo nagukundaga
What
n'intekerezo
told
zawe
you? It was the bad guys against the good guys.
warwanaga n'abantu babi
I
barwanya
never
beza
worked for the bad guys.
warwanyaga
Yeah, I
abantu
worked for anybody, as long as they paid me. It's an ineradicable flaw in my character.
icyo nagukundiraga ni uko utakundaga amafaranga kurusha gukunda inzira nzima hanyuma icyo akaba aricyo cyatumye nza kukureba tujya kujya kuzana Limbani arafunze
Out there somewhere singing hallelujah, fighting and killing for some goddamn savior as soon as he got to...
narabe kujya kurwana n'abantu rimwe n'ubwo usanga baririmba za haleluya haleluya zabo zitarangira kandi barimo kwicana uwo ni umwanda muri Afurika sinasubirayo
You know, he's the best there is. Now, I have a contract to steal Limbani from General Endover.
uwo mfite kontra yo kujya gufata Limbani mushimuta kwa General Endoza Endoza ni ufite Limbani akawumve muri Mozambique ari muri Afurika y'Epfo
The answer's too low.
babivuga iki
Now, we don't start training in Africa until January the 15th.
imyitozo tugiye kuyikora twitegura kujya muri Afurika kugeza kuri 15 z'ukwezi kwa 12 kuri 16 yakaba yajyanye n'umwana muri Finland
It's really been great seeing you again.
Don't spoil it.
foto iki
All right.
sawa
Will you do me a favor?
gira imbabazi izihe
Show me. Peel that stuff away. Show me how I get in and out of this place.
yasaga nawe karatangiye kwemera umugabo yari aragutera ikipindi warangiza ukemera utabishakaga kaza mwene kantu bafatiye Limbani Endoza yaramufasha amufatira muri Zimbara
Barney will be here, somewhere in that cell block.
agomba kuba ari hano muri aka gace dore inkambi ya gisirikare mureba kujisha abonye ukuntu yari maso atajya gukurikirana neza uri yari amenye ko yemeye basta ndetse turajyana wetu
I got Rafa John.
Good. You haven't got Sean Finn.
What do you mean?
kugira ngo ibintu bigende neza ugomba kuba ufite na Sean Finn uravuga iki
Is this place anywhere in London?
All right, what happened?
Boiled down. He removed two of the family's men earlier this evening, one of whom happened to be the nephew of the local godfather. They've already got out a contract on Finn, the biggest London's ever seen.
Sean Finn ni mutari wamubona umenye neza ko makomando ugiye gutwara Sean Finn atari mari kibazo cyane ko yishe umwana w'ikirebe gikuru hanyuma ikirebe umwana wacyapuye yakubera urumogi cyashyizeho na kontra kujya kwica Sean Finn ni mugenzi wabo waba uri mu kanya urimo kunywesha cyangwa kugira urumogi cyapfuye ngo nasene yashyize amafaranga yo kujya bamubona
The courier for a 25-year-old hoodlum.
If you've ever seen him operating in the field, you know what's so special about him.
urabizi neza ko turamutse tujyanye nawe uzi biri special kuri we siko bimeze
Too many left.
ndizera neza ko nta basore benshi dusigaranye
What a moral crisis that would present to kindly Sir Edward. You'd have to have Rafa and me killed, wouldn't he? So you get the details of Sean's past year over to my unspeakable... Well,
Carl Sean, living with 9 women in the 1 year, possibly at the same time.
right feet, but not beyond him.
bari bagomba kuba ari bagabo bagiye kuza kureba Sean Finn kumbe direse wakakana yaremeye byo muri Finland n'akana karabi gato
That's probably 6 months grab table.
baza kureba mugenzi wabo Sean Finn Sean Finn ni hano akorera mu kanya gato ni muri Afurika barayijyamo bateka turori
Thank you very much.
Well, I'm going to get me some chips and I'm going to break the house.
naye rajya kumwaje bari mukobwa amata kuri mwiza bigize nk'ara abasinzi
Oh, so she...
nari mushaka kumura
You
hino
wear her chest.
We say?
I did not know you wear her chest.
raka baje bisindishije kumbaga bari kuri gahunda
Is this table hot?
kiza kubabana namwe we baza kugikoga kiri hapo araka ibi bizo chini kwigendera bakamuri bashuka dati
Tell me how much is that there?
nangaye dusheta ndutiyanye nangaye dusheta kumbe ari washaka hano
20.
makumyabiri
Go ahead, honey. If you don't behave, you'll have to leave.
kumbe hano mugenda muziki araka
How do you know my name?
izo mutuzina byanje
Head, honey.
mukuru
Don't stop. Keep leaving. Listen very carefully.
iki tuza yegera hapo tubwire uba
Where's Sean Finn?
Sean Finn betashaka
I don't know any Sean Finn.
Sean Finn is
Hey, look at that. I got a genuine black cat. See that?
araje darasapo kugira abaturage bari hano bose babe
Great trouble. If you know what he is, tell us.
Sean Finn mu byago ni musahari tubwire
And if they get him before we do, they'll kill him.
hari bye byaje kumwiga biri ko tumubona byamwica
Be all his close friends.
Shaka kanya bihanze
Tell him it's Rafa Janders and Alan Faulkner. Describe
mubwire ko ari kana Ford ndetse na mugenzi we gendazo
he's a dead man.
mubwire ko ari bye birimo kumwiga ko yishe umwana w'abandi hanyuma kandi iki
Right here in this building.
sawa muri nyuma
Fundamentally, there's a stairway. Top floor, first room on the left.
muzamuka kunyuma kera ya hejuru nani murangiza mukati mu moso ku rugi rwanyu niyo mumubona igikoga cyumvishe ko arimo kumwiga abaje kumutabara maze kirabarangira ku rugi rwanyu mu moso baje bakoma kumbe ko Sean Finn Sean Finn maze nenya ko bamwita Roger Moore
Alan. Oh, not even a hearty handshake.
ye nta gusuhuza nta gukora umuntu ko tuziranye
Clown.
nubwo mudomo we hanze baragushaka nabi cyane bande
Would you mind telling me what you're doing here, thank God? If we live, I'll tell you about it.
uretse gato ndakubwira mu kanya
Idiot.
ndavuga iki
You always were a flatterer. Never changed, do you, Sean? There's a whole army looking for you and you're still making jokes. And let's get out of here.
kandi igice hanze kirimo kugushaka uracyavuga amagambo menshi sana urabikira harundi wakomanze Fagora bigewe
Car just pulled up to the back door.
hari n'imodoka iparitse ku rugi rw'imbere biki
What are you doing?
kora cyane
Bicycle.
mwana n'igihe kirekire kumbe hari n'iparitse inyuma
He's calling me names. Another car in front. Think we'd better do a little praying. Somebody's trying to lift this contract. What contract?
hari wamushyize konti iyo
Do you
konti
mind telling me what's going on? What are you carrying?
Can this?
wakoze icyo ufite we dore igihe byo nazanye kumbe bakira aho ngaho hari izindi modoka zirimo guparika Sean Finn baramushaka nabi yishe umwana w'ikiye wamuteye urumogi abo kanya bikimara gutera Sean Finn hejuru hari indi modoka yaparitse kumbe wa wundi watangaga mission yo kugira ngo ajye muri Afurika yaraje aparika imodoka yarangije aza mu yindi modoka hakuno niba yubateye kandi yabaye mission nibyo nazi bravo uraje bakase
Notice, at 4 o'clock in the morning, I would imagine you would. Now I want to get home to bed and go to sleep.
nageze mu rugo sinaryama byari nka saa 10 za mu gitondo 4 o'clock in the
Back on
morning
Sean Finn.
ndabizi urahiga Sean Finn
Killed my brother's son.
yishe umuhungu wanjye nifite wenyine
Better off without that son.
urabizi ko niwe umutekano muri iki gihugu cy'ubwongereza
He's grieving.
iyo byaramaze
Now let's get down to facts.
reka mbwira ukuri
I control a number of newspapers. I guarantee
urabizi ibinyamakuru ndabitse biyamagana
after Sean Finn's death, you
ndakubwira ukuri Sean Finn aramutse apfuye kubera
are
wowe
the most written about and photographed men in England.
ni wewe mugabo waba ufite amateka akomeye cyane mu binyamakuru byose byo mu bwongereza kuko ndahita njya kwandikisha ko ari we Sean Finn kumbe Sean Finn nawe yiteguye kwirwanaho dore ibipagasi byari byageze hejuru bije kumwica bose gusa nahawe gasoto ya yabeye ku rundi rugi ubwo biyobye yinje mu muryango hakurya uyabyohereza itunda mugaruka bose yaratubye ngo mureke bose yagizamo ikiri kanga mugaruka dusubireyo bagase byasubiyeyo ngibiriye mu modoka hasi bose kumba kanzwe n'abashe umutekano akamuka shani finali cyabaye bafaka ngo abapi urabizi tugana tugende police mbere yuko yagira uwabatabaye wawe urubaye contract kugira ngo bajye muri Afrika cyane agiye kumanuka kanga cyane cyo kuri reception
Very gentle, sir.
cyane baza ngo bitamanga mi batiramo n'umutwe ngo mbabwira aho
She's the one who's on the wrong route.
n'imihanganye ndetse
And there's a slight urgency. You know nothing right.
ihanganye bakoze kubayobya bari kunyica koko
You run along, love. It was a pleasure having you, sir.
ukuna nawe byaramfashe igihe kirekire dukundanye sinari kuba guteza neme banera umutwe
Well, thank you, Claude.
Bullshit.
You're a good girl.
bakoze mukobwa
Kiss her and come on.
we gamu kibizu hanyuma dutaye nishaka mpe Kenny
Isn't he in love?
Kenny ko kukunda we nishaka mpe aho waza kwitwa n'umutwe n'ibitwa kwitwa n'uburoro turi yaciye utarakunda witwa n'uburoro
Is he? Let's just say he's a military advisor. Where's he from?
uriya mugabo w'ibyanwa byinshi ni that one is a military advisor n'umujyanama mu bya gisirikare
All you get to know. Now, he's going to say yay or nay to your plan, and his decision is final. So why don't you just
ni
start?
umwanzuro wafashwe uriya mugabo n'ubagira inama hanyuma mukabona gufata inzira mwerekera
We'd very much like this to succeed.
niko niyo mushaka commission igenda bahoro mureke bagire icyo babwira se cyane
Use 50 men, 4 officers, 4 NCOs, 40 enlisted men, 1 medic and 1 sergeant major who will be in charge of training and discipline.
nyine abagabo 60 ndetse mukama umuntu umwe ushinzwe imyitozo yabo
Here's something. Gertzie.
mu gihe gito bagasanga biyibutsa kuko abo yafashe babona afashe bose basa n'ari abari bamaze iminsi baruhutsemo
He'll be good, I can guarantee it. And we'll interview him when you've approved the plan.
We'll recruit in London, group and train in Swaziland. I assume you can arrange that. We'll fly from Swaziland here. We'll be dropped from a Hercules cargo plane
turaparika muri Swaziland
right to Rwanda.
You'll be parachuting in.
turaba dufite za parachute nyambitse akagisirikare
25,000 feet. The parachute,
turasimbuka muri fiti zikabaka mu 25 hejuru mu kirere
oxygen no. The cabin will be pressurized. We'll depressurize 3 minutes before the fall. The parachutes open at 1,500 feet. They won't hit.
parachute twazifungura tumaze kugenda 10,000 gusa tunako gusimbuka hacize 10,000 gusa 15 bisigaye ngo dufungura parachute imitaka tumanuke mpaka hasi
Beautifully.
turagwa hasi naho tubonye twite twinjira mu nkambi ya Zimbara
So, here, 7 miles from Zimbabwe in the hills.
hanyuma kandi aho dushaka kugwa ni muri miles kabaka 7 ubwo ni ibirometero nka 10
Which will be out.
werekera hafi y'inkambi ya Zimbara indege ntabwo iri bugwa
Oh, here. The second group, which is Sean, will take it
ikipe ya kabiri aza kuri kumwe na Shani
to the barracks. The first group will proceed and take the
ikipe ya mbere nabyo nanjye tuba turi ikipe imwe ariko turaza kwigamo kabiri ikipe ya mbere bwo nanjye nitugerayo Shani nabara bari mu nzira yo kugira ngo babe bafata ikibuga aho turi bavane umugabo nimbani tumugabo inama mu Bwongereza
These barracks were constructed to hold 200 men if my...
izi barracks za gisirikare barracks ni naho abasirikare barara ibigo bya gisirikare
Anyway, from
zubatswe kugira ngo zigire byibuze abasirikare 200
We'll dispose of the guards here, here and here.
abarinzi bari hano hano
Proceed to the barracks here.
turinjirira hano barracks tuyishagate kwa kundi mubizi neza ko ntusishagate ubwo nta bindi rero urumva ko turi bizizo n'umugabo ariko se turatera abadafite imbunda cyangwa barakoresha imbunda gakondo turajagata batatubona ntabwo bajagata
Won't say a word, otherwise he's got too much explaining to do to his own people. You see, he told them...
turamutse dufashe umugabo nimbani tukamujyana nukuvuga general wamufasha akavuga ko yapfuye afite byinshi byo gusobanurira abaturage ntacyo azavuga azabazabana nimbani avugira inanga
your plan's approved, gentlemen.
basore gahunda zanyu ndazemeye your plan approved gentlemen barisezerera uwo mujyanama bya gisirikare bari uje kubagira inama
We received some updated information this morning. The operation's been moved forward 3 weeks.
basore batombahaye gahunda kabisa ko ahereye kubamenyesha ko operation muyikora mu byumweru bitatu abasore banyu murangiye kubategura mwinjire muri Afurika ubundi Afurika baterwe bagire ngo batewe n'ikirahamwe ry'abongereza good night
Here's the signed contract. Read them.
contract ngiyi hano yo kuva kuri banki
Open-ended checking account on Swiss bank. All expenses for weapons, equipment, etc. to be itemized. That's all right.
banki mu Busuwisi niyo agafaranga kazashyirwa
Wages to be paid in advance? All right, fair enough. £100,000 for you.
ibihumbi 100 by'amapawundi kuri buri umwe
30,000 for each of the other officers, 20,000 for each of the NCOs and the RSM, 10,000 for each of the enlisted men, and one half of
uri
the...
gutambuka byo guhaguruka hano ubwo n'ibyo bihumbi hanyuma kandi kugera bakabaha ibindi kugira ngo mugarure umufata umugabo akabaha ibindi no kumuzana n'ibi urumva amafaranga agiye afata sinyira ngaho please sinya batanga ko ari igihe nyine please sign signature signature
Contract, you can go outside and scream in the corridor. Sean, would you be good enough to show Mr. Belfort out?
shani ndizera neza ko abasore bakwiye kujya mu gikorwa tangira ushakisha ikipe yacu ya kera yabuze commandos n'abakomando ba zamani bajye gushaka urabona ukuntu ibisaza bitajya byibagirana igisaza kirajya gushaka kigenzi cyacu byose ngibyo bikuze kuzemo
Gather over there.
niko uriteguye cyangwa mfitemo ubwoba buke
Alan, I'd like your approval on some weapons and supplies here.
so kakano yatungurwaga n'akana ki atashoboye ko yabwira akana ke bagiye kujya mu kazi
Sandy Young around here, would you?
sanyi muranyibuka
Colonel Faulkner.
oh colonel Fortuna
Excellent.
bravo
Couldn't be better, sir.
Peter Sergeant bravo colonel Sergeant
Can't tell you what a pleasure it is to see you, sir.
cyakubwira kunezerwa no kubona barwanye igikomando cya zamani ngabaje kujya muri Afrika
No,
niko colonel hose unyibutse fandi
Don't think so. I think we'd better talk out here.
ndakeka tugomba kuvugira
Tell me,
hatari
how's your retirement going?
At this point, sir,
ukuva mu gikomando kwa bimeze bite kwa bimeze
back in rose bushes, if you pardon my French, sir, with you.
ndakeka na kimwe nigeze nikanga ndetse numva ngo nasubira mu
I'd
kazi
like to put 50 men in shape for me.
nyene abasore 50
Yes, sir.
50 se
Yeah, I need to start from major.
cyane kandi Sergeant Major nagukeneye
Not too old?
What do you think?
uratekereza iki
Sir.
yakuba
My report, when?
raporo yanjye natanye tanze
Look at...
mugabo mwiza cyane bravo mama
Darcy, I hope I'd never see him again.
ko colonel Fortuna sinigeze nifuza kongera kumubona umujyanye umugabo mu kazi kabi
He's on the table. You're not welcome, Mr. Faulkner.
nyakwa Fortuna ntabwo uhawe ikaze mfite ntabwo ngo you're not welcome Mr. Fortuna abandi bavuga welcome ikindi ngo you're not welcome
Yes, a good deal of it.
uriteguye abagore se abagore n'ubazi batinya gukomanga igikopo nicyo kirakanisabiye ndashaka kujya ku kazi urabizi
Call me at this number.
nta kintu cyo kumamagara kuri iyi nimero itike sinza uyikura niba ugurisha ugasaha wambaye cyangwa ingofero usanga aho tujye mu gihugu rakaba Sergeant Major bravo bravo
By the other half?
bravo
Sean, one turn.
bravo abo baje bagasanga mu rwagwa abo basanze ariko uzi cyiza
Bring down here.
ko ugenda se ugenda gutya mu kakunywa n'ibitse ntiwavuye ku nzoga narakotse cyakubwira ko turuza n'urumogi
Be your landlady. By the way, she asked me to tell you that if you don't pay the rent, you can pack and get out by the morning.
Jenzanye no kugira ngo ngubwire ko mu gitondo ugomba kwakira ibyawe. We are going this morning. Tujya he.
I haven't even got the money to buy you one back. Why would you?
I was saying, why would you come? Mwihangane. Aramubaza impamvu gashobora kuba jana agahita namwishyurira ni ikihe kibazo?
Mine for job. I've been in jail once. I didn't like it.
Ubwa nyuma akazi wampaye nagiye muri gereza simbikunda. I don't like it. The last job I went to jail.
Be a hobby with me.
Akora polisi. N'akazi keza. Yabaki.
Look, all I want out of life right now is to get back to South Africa.
Icyo nshaka muri aka kanya no gusubira muri South Africa. Uyu ni umuzungu muri Afrika y'Epfo. Muri Afrika y'Epfo habaye abazungu benshi cyane.
And I'll explode.
Hanyuma ndumva nsa n'uwenda guturika.
I should talk about exploding because explosives could very well be a part of this job.
Niba wumva nsa nk'ushaka guturika reka ngwire akazi ugiye kujyamo n'akazi k'igiturika. Yes, muri Afrika.
Must be joking.
Urakina we. You must be joking. Uri jokeri.
£30,000. Not that for serious.
Hariho n'amapawundi bari guhemba ahubwo ni serious noneho.
Right, Josh, sir.
Akabiga mu kitu maze korakorana.
Come in.
Nyinjirire abandi kabakomanda. Yewe. Kwata.
Haley,
Raho.
age, previous military experience, and rank.
Donaldson, sir. Born 1932. 12.
Nabo tujye bujima kana 1932 born in 1932. Saje nimejaza ku ruhande. Kumbe ndo bari kabakomanda. Urumva gifite agatege muri wowe.
My lines.
Yakuba nta mpamvu. Imitire cyakora neza najye kwipimisha. Harubaga imana ifite niki cyatuma niruka. Nta na kimwe.
Leave her a note. Sir, you won't regret it. I'm as good a man now as I was at 20, sir.
Nyakuba as good a man as I was in 20 sir. Ndi muzima ndetse ngo mengu wari ufite imyaka 20 ndetse ngo nimeze muri 20.
Blake, Jesse, Colonel Faulkner, sir.
Ni twakalaje Jesse nyakuba fati na Colonel.
Experience, you name it, I've had it.
Ibyo nakoze ibyo mwifuza ibyo mumbwira kuko byose narabikoze. Akazi nakoze nakatabaye navo myigisha ngo imisozi. Akazi kose nakakora. Igikomano naragikoze.
In Africa. I don't care what it is, sir.
Uzi iki kuri Afrika?
Neatness scares the shit out of me.
Sinita kuri Afrika ari hose ngajana.
Gender sitting over there.
Cyane cyane umugabo urimo kundeba ngano yakubwira ko ibyo muri Afrika byose ngomba kwameze ko n'uwo muri Afrika. Barumiye gusa ikigabo kiravuga shaho. Cyitwa Jesse. Ariko uyu mugabo yatumye nasinzira. Turi gukatwa. Kigabo kiri
Liberal and hungry.
niteguye kabisa nubwo abari inzara izangu iterwa n'iwacu muri Afrika bamuri kurutiza muri Bwongereza.
Funds me £20.
Man, that's hungry.
Mubanze mu meko mapaundi 20 ngo niyo ndo. Uyu mugabo arashonje. Niyo gukoresha imisatsi nagara yo gusukujya kuri ikiri hano. No muzonde chawo yabanje gusaba paundi 20 ziri kunusage tumeje muri. Saje nimeje nta mirimo ngira. Do. Wajya nuduha Imana yagiye icomeka gusa.
Sergeant, undefeated regimental middleweight champion.
Nditagwe ndunga mu bajya muri champion dore ngabona abakomando bose babashuje mu kazi. Bari baravuye kugerera barimo kwandika. Ariko yo uri tayari zubwo. Cyane urabona magazine. Urugo rwaratamye. Ni tayari kabisa. Ari ngorora. Nawe nta midoma gira nutu. Bagabare ni jobu nakuga akazi karakunu. Akazi n'indyango uri ukatwa. Yewe buri uyu mugabo agiye umunwa. Nakwaje ngo bacishira ku icyuma gutya ku mubiri maze haza kenge niwo muntu. Primera. Mwihangane banye sigewe rwose bajya kujya mu kiraka niyo mpamvu bana. Rwose mwihangane. Mwakoze kuza. Have time to get divorce. Bagabari yana bari kujya mu gikomando. Ya trashize ngahi. Bantu bakuru ibyo mwashakaga birageze. Ibyo mwamwishyuriye birimo biyekereza. Bigegereje biti. Gikomando buri asikintu. Utakiza arakibarirwa mister. Nubone wavuyeyo. Zaba byari bimeze biti. Masaya yakabwibwi. Umwe mu bagabo yaraje masaya bakanaki nyakabwira agiye kujya. Uraje wirebera abakomando bagiye ibyo bajya gukora. Baba nuriya nagaze igihe cyakaruhuko twari mugapira ariko nagaze akaruhuko yazanye akanaka zakado. Kuki tajya kujya mu karuhuko? Mwana wanjye. Noheli sakuki tajya mu karuhuko.
I know what I said, but sometimes these things just can't be helped.
Mwana wanjye.
Anyway, you'll be the headmaster's family. It'll be nice.
Uraza kuyobora umuryango nimba ntari. Ariko nagwa kansuze papa kumbagiye kugenda mugenzi rimwe n'imwe ibintu birahinduka kandi ibintu tugomba kubyemera uko bapanga ari bihinduka.
Please, it's only business.
Ndakwinjiza papa muri business.
Even know where, what it's about, or anything.
Utembereye nawe akana kabyara kuza kubera igikomando. Mu kukabyara kuza nongera gatanga kwakuze.
That's for fun.
Mwana wanjye rwose uranshekesha. Yakagari yakaguriye byinshi ariko
I
kakwishima.
read it families. It's called Christmas Whenever You Want.
I already want them now.
Ibintu nakuzaniye mwana wanjye bigaragaza ko nawe tuyishimiye aho izazira hose. Papa ariko simbishaka tari kumwe.
We'll give them to you Christmas.
My mother was sent it after because I'm a Frenchman. One of the older boys, she looked like a whore.
Abana kwishuri bari barimo kunserereza ngo mama ntabwo tuba turi kumwe. Yajyanye n'umufaransa kumwe nyina wa kandi yataye umugabo. Yijyanye n'umufaransa ura mu rugo kuko ikiga bigihora mu kazi. Mwana wanjye.
Mina.
Yaje musuko gusuzugura. Uzabwire ko mpara mu komando. Urumva? Kandi uzababwire ko nuko uzaciye umutekano uzabona ko urudufese ariko bagutinya. Urumva? Mwana wanjye. Mwaka gusuzugura.
Real?
I have to go back to the game.
Uranezerewe sawa mu mukino. Kana kasubiyeyo.
I love you too.
Kanyira gukunda kaje kabivuga. Ugana bari mu mukino. Papa yararebye nta kundi. Iryo biruta byose kiraka cyabonetse buriya bakomando bikundira shaye cyo gukomanga igikopo. Baraka sanje zimeja. Baraka dori nguruguru. Baraka. Na mikiri ari. Dori uje kuyobora bakomando bambaye amapantaro y'igikabutura. Yewe. Kwata.
Oh, you know me already. Those of you who don't,
Bamwe muri twe abandi muri abo.
big fucking surprise.
Nabo nshaka kwatera surprise.
Expect an infinitely more horrible time than they care to remember.
Mugiye guhura n'ibihe bibi mutigeze muhura nabyo muzahora mwibuka iteka kuri namupfuye.
It will not worry me in the slightest.
Ntabwo giye bijya biri mu ntera ikibazo ariko.
And when I say jump,
Muzasimbuke.
ask how high.
Urambaza uti ni kure bingana cyangwa usimbuka. Muranyumva? Yewe zaje nimeja arakaye shawa afite ivi ku maso na bintu by'imikino.
Right. On the command, right and left turn. A and B squad will turn to the right. C and D squad, turn to the left. Forward!
Babwira ukuntu bagomba guhindukira kandi ubayobora mu gihe bakiri hano.
Right.
Sawa.
Start for our first heart attack, shall we? On the command, double march. You will double in a clockwise and an anti-clockwise direction within the...
Mugomba kwitegura tujya gutangira imyiteguro yo kwirukanka hanyuma kandi muzirukankanwa cyangwa mwirukankane umwanzi ndakwita uhagarara ahubwo kwirukankana.
Get up and do it again until I tell you to halt.
Murirukanka kandi mbabwiye ngo muhagarare mwuka bamwe. Barakabas. birukanga mpaka babwiye guhagarara umwanza kwirukanga biginga niki ijya kabari ndi igitaka ibisaza ka birukanga mo kapa mwico murajyana birukanga wa muginga we kapa commandos ijya kabari ni igitaka mugende cha baginga sa baguruka wa musenzo mugende mwakapa mwamwe mugende cha mugende kanu baratuka basaza mu rutu bimira yewe wanyoye inzoga haguruka uranyishe baguruka wo kapa we ndi hadu isimba mwishe ndapfuye ariko none uze ndapakanga ubu ndapfuye haguruka wa musenzo we haguruka wirukanga cyangwa muraseno nanga haguruka muginga ndi hadu ina haguruka yewe data we se abo urame mu kiki uri yawereke haguruka sinshobora jya kubaho nawereke haguruka waje toto wapi nashize wapi napfuye kabisa imbuni vayi yewe kuri ndapfuye yewe dash bakatibira
If anybody tries to convince me that I'm still alive,
Firimira wari wawereye yarazuta ko kanya ndakubwiye kanya kanwa kwa kazi amajopa aragwira isasu riri hariya yewe data we
One problem to be solved.
basi nicyo gihe cyo kwereka buri wese aho tugiye kwerekera saje nemeze nyana irize riri hariya n'amategeko shawo kuva bakiri mu myitozo niryo bayoboye uwo rishatse riramwica nabi kinihari
Be a killing ground.
hari niho twinjirira rero
make one sound.
imyitozo bari bayirangije
Killed instantly and silently.
And there's no cover for 100 yards. Now,
aho tugiye kujya batwica cyangwa tukica vuba kandi byihuse
what do you think about William Tell?
naho twihisha we urakeka tugiye kujya kwihisha cyangwa tugiye mu gupfa kwa nyako
120 yards, the quarrel goes straight through, man. Where does one find such a thing? Somebody I know in Durban. I'll use hardwood quarrels with fibers of cyanide attached. The quarrel will shatter inside the man, and if that doesn't kill him instantly, the cyanide will take effect in less than a second, so there is no chance.
umugabo ari hano babwira uburyo bagomba guteramo hari iminara y'abarinzi hano bagomba kujya gutera wamugabo imbani kumukura
All right, you have it.
sawa
Anything else for me?
ikindi kintu nyakubahwa
No.
baya ntacyo twagusaba
Good night, then.
zamura mu kibanya nyakubahwa
Peter,
ye Peter Yes.
something wrong.
hari ikibazo kutavuga
In South Africa, we call the blacks kaffers, like you calling them niggers.
nkuko mwita nanga abaniga muri Afrika y'Epfo twebwe abazungu tubita bakafo
I'm sure you've hunted black terrorists in Europe.
ugomba kuba ariko wararwanaga n'ibyo by'abirabura nanga abirabura bose nyakubahwa nanga abirabura gusa bari hano umugabo we ni bamwe bari bakoraga apetite muri Afrika y'Amajyepfo abazungu bangaga abirabura
Maybe.
Right.
That is in Ndopa's country, not in mine.
Our mission
nyakubahwa ariko jewe nubwo nanga abirabura sinakwemera no kubika ndabanga gusa
here is rather special.
mission yacu ntabwo ari kujya guhangana n'abirabura kubivuga
I don't know Limbani or the people who back him or what for.
nimba ni simwitaho n'abamufasha nawe n'umukanga abandi
People I have nothing to do with. Then what the hell are you doing here?
mwene turakora iki hano niba utadufasha mu ntambara umva
And is my ticket home?
it's my ticket home ni cyanjye ngeze iwacu
Nothing else.
nta kindi ngende shaka kwitahira muri Afrika n'umuzungu muri Afrika y'Amajyepfo
But later.
South Africa
And you'll be killing to impose your own personal ideas on the future of mankind on others.
mwebwe nta kindi mamushaka kujya mutera Afrika mwereka ko muri abahanga cyane ngende ndishakira iki ngeze iwacu
Up against each other morally.
hanyuma kandi numva nta n'ikindi worimba niwanyu mugende mumuvaneyo cyangwa pfireyo n'umwirabura jye simbyitaho twahanganye n'abirabura kuva ndi uruhinja kurinda ngana kungana nkoka pfa bayi kigo gitujyanyira rimba nicyo zadufasha rimba bajya kujya muri Zimbara
Mercenaries. You thought we'd see the day.
umugabo ntiyatari ko byanze kuzarwana afatanyije natwe
Can't afford any risks. He's not with us, he's dead.
I can't afford the risks sinakwemera ko nshyira ubuzima bw'abantu ugahanebera
Bend your knees when you hit, take the shock out of it.
usimutse uragwa hasi hanyuma uguye hasi ukabirigita
What the fuck are you waiting for?
tagira igicucu simuka gapi yewe
You've one parachute drop to make, and you better be
nuko parachute isimukira
that's where you fall.
simuka
Go!
simuka yewe
Go!
gera amaguru asubira mu nda
It was ludicrous, sir. You're jumping from an aeroplane, not a whorehouse window.
wowe urimo urasimbuka bwaba ari indege not a warehouse window ntabwo ari idirishya ry'inzu y'indaya iyo umugabo w'inzu y'indaya yinjiye uwo mu nzu y'indaya yinjiye iyo uciye mu idirishya kugira imyitozo kirabatoza gituka abasaza bagenzi bacu nta mikino hariya nzajyayo kuko uzamura ku giti yewe firimira
Get out of the car. I've got an urgent message to Colonel Faulkner.
nari nzanye kana ko amakuru fungura sha imyitozo iri hano bari imyitozo ubinjirira wese baza kumusaka bakanamukurikirana reka ngiriye ni bwa bundi bwitwa bwatwarejeje uwejeje umwanya wese uwejeje ibigori ajya kugurisha akagura kariya ugura make yangeze ko ari hamwe ariko mwabaye kape
We're going in tomorrow night.
tuzagenda ejo nimugoroba we're going tomorrow night
Yes. Tomorrow's Christmas.
ejo ni
Right
noheli
on 26.
tuzatera kuri noheli
They guaranteed a 7 days notice. According to this message, some crazy old lady relative of Mbani's had a vision that he'd risen from the dead and it spread through the tribe like...
ngo hari wagiye ahura na limbani basanga limbani n'umugabo musa n'awari indembe hanyuma kandi tugomba kumutabara hakiri kare tukagarura umuntu muzima ntabwo ashaka kutuzana indembe
We'll be there 4 hours later.
tugomba kubayo rero mbere habuze gatoya bari muri noheli
Best news I had since I threw out my lunch.
ni agatangaza
Well, be prepared to throw up your dinner. Instead of taking a small bodyguard, Ndopa's taking the Simbas with him. That's his own regiment.
nizere ko sajya meja basore babungiye kubakangurira ibyo bari bazi kera hanyuma bagiye kujya mu gihugu bagiteguye commandos
Close. If all goes well. All right, gentlemen, now to business. Rafer, see that the men make their wills. Shaw, arrange transportation for the men to go.
Usangiye kubagaba
Then kiss their money goodbye if they're not back by 0400.
hanyuma wumva ko atagomba kugenda dusezere asoma amafaranga y'ubwanyu mwabwira ati bye twe turagenda muhaguruke babahaye mission ingabo y'abatatu bagiye kugenda bayoboye bafatanyije n'uyu Colonel Faulkner kajya meja karame
Sandy,
bandi karame yewe
sit down.
wewe cyane tubanze tuganire yewe nta mikino kajya meja yaganira na kano
I just wanted to have this private moment with you, old friend.
nagira ngufata akanya gato n'inshuti zawe
Thank you. The
tugushimira
best of the best.
waba uri uwa mbere
Money,
mbato
5 times over.
I appreciate that, sir. but
nabyo mbishimiye
I'm not
nyakubahwa
quite sure what it means.
uravuga
But
iki
I'd like you and your wife to spend that money in good.
wowe na madamu wacu uragwaye udatajya mu rugamba uje
Coming
kwiyandika
along?
nje museke nyine cyane ntabwo rugamba
With respect.
ndakuba
can stick the money up your ass.
amafaranga agiye bihana kuzagatafari kawe najya mu rugamba
I do. Believe it or not, Colonel. I also love those grubby, thick-headed men I trained. You most of all. And I...
ngomba kujyana n'abatore cyane cyane
You, because I'm needed.
muranyene ko
For
nyene
your revolution, try and stop me.
if you need a revolution try to stop me niba ukeneye impinduka hano none muri iyi office gerageza umpagarike kujya muri mission mwereke ai
What about that?
sezi nazanye burajye bayobera ngo niba shaka impinduka namuhagarike bagire muri office amwereke kigiye ku ngufu yarakibwa ukisigaje amahoro
What's that?
uravuga iki
Bung doctor to you. Shabby cheek.
yabo bagiye kwerekera he kujya gufasha rimbani barimo kurya ku manywa igihe cy'intambara kirakatsindwa modoka yari kwakura yarishe modoka
Thanks, dear.
mugenda imirambo muzayizane neza tubishingure murabeho kandi duherukana imikino ihari uyu arimo kurya n'ibiryo byaramunaniye hari ikimodoka gishobora kuza kumva imihindire apetse gakibura yinywereye byeri kangere nakubise byeri.
Yeah, I never think about dying. Got my death all planned. Blind drunk, lying on the pavement, roll off, fracture my skull, out.
Well, I think about it.
Serves no purpose.
Your children will know.
nta kindi kigiye gukorwa bagenzi basore bariteguye aho bagiye kujya nubwo bavuze operation y'amasaha make hari ibintu bihinduka bikagenda utabikekaga.
I mean, you hooked me into this thing.
Don't you have any decent friends?
Well, I've just made you his godfather. Look,
kana kanya nakagize godfather wako ukabyara muri batisimu ugomba ibyo kubimenya undatu cyane uyu ni wa wundi papa wa kana dore ukuntu yambaye karita komando yiteguye.
Nothing strange, I'm out of work drunk.
then a little responsibility will do you good.
ntugire ikibazo uramutse ubaye udahakana ngo njya kureba ubu ni inshingano zanjye nawe kandi binyemerere
You're not going to die, Fred.
nta n'umwe uzapfa fini mani zabidufashemo
I'll ask.
uko bimeze papa wa kana ngo icyo utabona ni icyo ariko inyungu mutangiye kwinjira inyungu zanyu dore ibyo mwishyuriye ni ibingibi urabona ukuntu biruka ibyo nibyo mwashakaga muraje mu kanya muretse uzurebe muze utazana akazi ke amafaranga arabayasize muze mujye kwakira inote murugiye ku rugamba azahembwa katurebe bazagaruka bagiye kwakira inote dore aho tujyana payiro ayo je simparikayo Raka indege yafunze bareba uribwa n'umutima aho ni witutangirira uwo batera serumu barayigutera bakanavuga rukiri kuri serumu zuka nuko wongeye guparika mu rugo indege kimwe kibi cyane kaburi hari n'ibidege ureba ngo kigitera n'umwaka uri kurukire bayi wajya wose kari mu bugingo rw'impeke yewe gifite ingine hotel Commandos on duty igihugu cyabo kirabakeneye rimbana n'abakeneye ubufasha bwabo burakenewe Commandos ureba ahantu bagiye wiri gutari umugari waranya ngo mwana nakasirwe dore gukasirwa nabo bari bagiye guhura nabo niyo bagiye gukasirwa ko bakagiye muri Afrika barakwereka abandi banyafrika basesekaga mu Bwongereza bari gukora iki bavuga ngo rimbani yapfuye kumva bihari bagiye kumuzana bagaragaza ko rimbana cyo muzima igihoro kizankorera igipanga kizankorera kabisa nta n'umusekana n'umuvuga aho uri muntu ushobora guhaguruka ukabona we yari yicaye huzuye icyuyi yewe
Service is a bit slow.
service ni ntabwo yoro muri service zikomera ingiriyo ya mbere bahura n'umugabo kandi ndakuzi ntabwo nyibuka munsi y'iduka ryo kwa murokori kuri paruwasi biki bagabo ko bajya hotel cyose umenya ngo kandi ndakuzi ngo twariganye urakapfa nuko nawe mukomando yo nyibwirishijwe ngo handi shafu ntabwo kuri iryinyo rimwe nkalitwara mu mufuka ntabwo barabo bajya mugabo bagera bamwe mwana biranyana niyumve tujye muri ya shaba hari ibiryo biba yose tuzarya ibiti temo na Dr. Medic muganga
About 3 minutes later, the depressurizing arm, red light on. Right. Get him on lifting sergeant major.
inota barayivuga kwanza kwibwira kandi umukuru wa bose
So it's transfer to the cavalry is out of the question, Sergeant Major.
Check equipment.
check equipment kandi ku murongo imitaka bayambaye uko bagomba kuva mu ndege ntabwo iparika no gusimbuka bari yehe mu birere manuka naburebe ubanza gushinga umutwe mwitegure igipande cy'umubiri kiremera kurusha ibindi ku muntu ni umutwe umanuka ushinze agatwe usimbutse nabi rero uragera akabari ko gaparika gutegereza umutwe gufata parikingi indege ifungura inyuma pilot ntabyitaho ntabwo ari abamagaye ntabwo ari ababwiye gusaba iyo job ni ugusohoka itara mugere bo kapamo baho dore ikipe we komando batarenze 50 bateye ikigo kirimo abagabo barenze 200 barakabaza Rakaka ya filime yarimbani nginda yizanye sikagari we nayibazanye dore inyungu zanyu we dore ibyo mwishuriye we mwatangiye kungu uziko mwashoye hazima we iyi filime irunguka kirere Commandos babo ugiye namutsa kukanga gufunguka urarira ukarinda uhonda hasi bakuri abifa bafungura kare bafunguye kare barabizarije cyangwa vuba maze ukabwira mugenzi wawe tuva utakire tumanukane yewe wamanutse nabi yewe imana ishimwe biratunganye abuteye se bakubonye ukiri mu kirere kuriya ko bahita bakuvumbura hari waguye mu cyobo filibira abo mukabwibwani mukagoroba isasu yewe bimwe babigishaga gusota ubona abamaguru agahita asubira mu nda manda isasu ry'umugoroba sharira ryana shaka bageze mukabwibwa
Sean, how goes it?
niba atari mu cyurere igisigara nakazi kacu kavuga ngo igisigara nakazi kacu banguna
Just a bit.
uruvana rwa imiti ya kabuno birakureba ngabo dore cyo muri Afrika y'Epfo cyagishimije nuko kiri hafi iwabo cyo kirashaka kwitaye commandos ngabo izuba ritangiye kurasa bari mu mashyamba y'abandi bose n'abongereza kireka kigabo cy'umukara iki ngiki na kiriya kizungu cyo muri Afrika y'Epfo ubutaka bw'abandi dangerous grounds bari ku butaka bubi cyane dangerous kubera ngari dudu ibijyanye simba cyitwa street mu cyongereza sinzi ko bacyita mu gifaransa n'ikinyarwanda gisiga kiruka kurusha ibindi kivita amaguru shafu ni nayo ngongoro street komedero ikigo bateye ngo no turice mu gifaransa no turice urugo bararuteye ngabo duruko baka izuba ririnze rirasa baje mu rukerera twe tureba nta n'umurangwa gacanye ko tureba icyayi baba ibyayi biragwira uzirebaga ko bagiye kuzimbikiraho rero mu kanya baje mu rukerera izuba rimaze kurasa rwose agasozi abari nabo baracana ryamye nabaraye ku burinzi umuginga arasinziriye n'undi musenzi arasinziriye dore indi mizaje komanda
Would you believe it? 2 out of 3 asleep.
would you believe it 2 are still sleeping babiri bacyasinziriye
Get the other 2. Later, we're going in up the fence by the sentry post.
turaca kuri uriya musenzi wako numva uriya niwe ufite ikiburi hanyuma mwebwe nimugiramo indani mubadirisha nimubadirisha rero ibintu by'ibiburi biveho mereza sha zo ndimi zaje komanda muginga sana n'indimi zaje komanda uri ufite ikiburi reka mbanze mbadirisha hano izo ndimi zaje komanda over roja nambi y'iterambere hariho n'abayino ashaka gupimana aho ngaho nambu sniping nambu sniper yewe mu gitondo koko iki kiraryamye shafu imyambi iriho n'umumara kandi se n'umumara gusirinjira ikinjira no mu mbavu yewe gato musubuye kirarabura turapfuye kumbe urundi rero kurya kwasana byumvise kiramo ese ni kinumvisha makare kumbe cyababo kigabo cyajya aregama cya mu gitondo ni busubuye mwose mubanje kwinjira mwinjire abandi babaje kwinjira ko upfuye bana kwibuka kwirinda kwibuka Primira. Turiho muri Afrika y'Epfo akambwita karabuye. Oya nako karashaka karasi mukambere kabisa. Senyenge barayikata. Nyiri senyenge atabyisi. Nyiri senyenge yagize ati uko atayishaka. Aho bapubuza buriya nabyo babipfa. Wikatiye iki? Atitaye kwa muteye wikatiye iki mukabipfa. Yes, yegaliwe commandos. Dawidi bisana ivumbi rinatumuka muri rutaraka we. Muri rutaraka. Reko muri ruwage maze ivumbi bivange. We, ungende nyuma neza shaba tandasa muri nyiribivumbi. Umuretse we, musotame over. Stame over. Iritabi. Oh, ya, iritabi, ya baiki. Chamubonye. Iritabi. Yayo mwene wapo. Yewe. Bituza. Jai. Yeah. Bari ku gacyayi ka mu gitondo babazana na capati. Bibayeho neza byo gapfa biko macapati. Oh. Nimecyasinziriye tia gas iyo bambaye akarasa mukambere kabisa senyenge barayikata nyiri senyenge atabyisi nyiri senyenge yayikiza ati uko atayishaka aho bapfubuza buriya nabyo babipfa wikatiye iki atitaye kwa muteye wikatiye iki mukabipfa yes yegaliwe commandos Dawidi bisana ivumbi rinatumuka muri rutaraka we muri rutaraka reko muri ruwage maze ivumbi bivange we ungende nyuma neza shaba tandasa muri nyiribivumbi umuretse we musotame over stame over iritabi oh ya iritabi ya baiki chamubonye iritabi yayo mwene wapo yewe Jai. Yeah. Bari ku gacyayi ka mu gitondo babazana na capati. Bibayeho neza byo gapfa biko macapati. Oh. Nimecyasinziriye tia gas iyo bambaye ibyo ngibyo kwaje kwatira cyitwa tia gas byabyuka biryana mu maso tia gas ibyuka bizana amarira mu maso barabapuriza ntabwo ari ukuryana gusa guhera basindiriza barabapuriza mufate ku myaka ariko yewe birasinzira barabipuriza birasinzira ariko nukurota barabapuriza.
Hello?
Yewe Rame,
We'd like those keys, you see. So, whoever has them, just hand them over. Inspector, search his welfare.
wewe komeza wicare kwanza babonye Semaranga hanyuma mfasha kujya wewe Semaranga kuyirona byari ku makarita bigo mu gitondo n'icyaho ngabo we wacetse ko tutazi kumcyasha nko kapfa mwiki kirayi bite mfasha gutya funguzo se Semaranga baramufite nakabasi hariyo Limbani kumbe bageze hakuno Limbani kunya mu mugere wari hey bereke kwa Limbani.
I'll take you outside.
Ndaza kwita hano hanze nawe raka ajya Chani. Baraka, Limbani baramuboye. Baya, cyane Limbani baricoba baza ku. Yewe. Bani yarane pehu mirku. Nimke neza filimi tangira mushimuta mu ndege.
Mr. Limbani, I'm Faulkner. Just lie there.
Yakwa Limbani kwa Colonel Faulkner. Wewe sinzira gusa turaje. Ndasinziri. Kaka.
Everybody okay?
Dogiteri baramuza manye sawa nta n'umurwayi muri twese.
Johns, if he's set, tell him to send Lieutenant Finn to take the airport.
Ngira Lieutenant Finn muhamagara na kuri radio mubwire yiteguye gufata ikibuga.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yakuba.
Some lovely pills for your heart.
Atama mwe gusiki kinini kimire urumva kitameze nk'ubugoro mira. Yes cyagariwe. Mira. Fata ni tupa ry'urwagwa. Sukayo.
Okay.
Commandos.
I'll leave Mr. Faulkner.
That's fine, sir.
Ndi muzima nabaye nakwa Faulkner. Tita cyane.
It's your responsibility.
Uyu mugabo ni inshingano zawe.
Never leave your side.
Nakuva imbere nawe urambona.
Let's proceed.
Ay.
Kaffa,
We,
on your feet.
Kapa haguruka. Cyo kigabo cyanga birabura cyo muri Afrika y'Epfo. Nicyo banshingano kimurinde nacyo imbere nacyo kiraboneka. Kirabonana n'abantu. Urabizi fanda rame mukiye kabisa ndinda guti kigabo cy'umukara nk'iki. Yange byaba. Mereza nkwereke. We, niba harimo n'umushura nigende yibereho. Baba bifunguze mwana kwitahire kabisa. Kwitahire.
Sean.
Chan. Ndakumva baba.
Good luck.
Mwitegure ikibuga cy'indege and good luck. Tuvuye over. Commandos. Gabo, kanya gato cyane imodoka bagomba kuzinzi ko ariko batama kuko abo batera bafite ibikoresho kandi nawe wica abantu bazaba mari. Sinzi ko abantu batavuze mu kigo umuntu usigara n'umwe. Turori. Mr. Limbani, burayi. Kobakaba. Kumbe hakuno hari ikindi kigo. Ikigo cyo hakuno ukirebe. Sasa ugomba gufata ikibugo cy'indege. Cyitwa Zimbala Airport. Kuri aeroport abayoboye inama n'abakomando bamwe n'abazungu b'abazungu muri Afrika, Mozambique, South Africa, Zimbabwe, habaye abazungu benshi cyane bakira ariko cyane. Bituri. Sasa babaye abanyafrika n'abarakontrola. Nako iki kigaje twatuma. Izi ngari nazo. Ya cyenda narambiwe jewe. Baya. Ariyo silence. Waundi udafite umuntu. Wagaho. Kigaje rwose. Baya. Witu kigaje. Kibuga baragishaka. Shanfin. Roger Moore amazina nyakuri. Roger Moore. Imedoke. Waundi udafite umuntu. Abandi barinjira ikibuga baragishaka nabi cyane. Zimbala Airport. Commandos. Yeah. Hano ni gutemwa mugabo nabazaniye filime mbi murimo punguka mwatwaje mwuka amafaranga munamba make mwuka. Ariko murakaba. Narije ko baratujyobayo. Chawusha. Kap. Bose nawe ngwino banze. Kibuga cy'indege baragishaka. Yewe bari kucyayi. Kucyayi buri yashaka umuntu mu gitondo. Koze gutera abantu mu gitondo. Birarya capati byoga. Birarira muri supermarket. Nakuriye. Baraje bana barye boka. Bari kugakawa umwana ateka gakoma abandi bari ku kibyeri filmira baga bafite ubuzima bwiza bamere nta mubyeyi rutundi natwe ntitwakasira ariko twacyaye mo fate mwoka papa bajya basigaye pasa bajyamo chori ningi woka papa ningi yewe yabaza gicyari cyo bamwereka n'ibindi bimeze nkabyo ndemeye kabisa mumbabarire aha simbiri Rosa Ilensa kumbe arabarimo kuzana Limbani. Kibuga cy'indege cyafashwe n'abandi. Abari bazanye Limbani wewe komeza wihangane. Niyo baragutera malaria y'imibu. Kumbe hakuna impapuro zirimo gusinywa mu Bwongereza. Birasinywa Limbani barimo baramusimbura. Limbani leta yindi yagiye irimemerwa kumbe abakomando bagomba kuzana Limbani mbere y'uko bari bagomba bigeza aho bagomba kujya. Limbani bagomba kwamugeje.
Put Charlie 1 into effect immediately.
Watson.
That's right, immediately. What's so surprising about that?
Niki gitangaje mpamagara iyo ndege twereje gutabara abakomando vuba kandi nona. Hamagara. Ndege bana bashaka kunyama yahamagara igomba kujya kusana Limbani mukuye hariya.
Might be a little bit tight, but we'll make it.
Ibintu byo kora ariko birababaje. Kibuga cy'indege abakomando bari bamaze kwaseseka bazanye Limbani kuri Zimbala Airport. Usanga bagenzi babo bari bahakabye. Commandos on duty.
Take him.
Kigereje indege. Mr. Limbani.
Well done, Sandy.
Bakaza mwarwanye neza natwe two tuvuye turwanye neza. Nabo.
Here any minute.
Natwari wese indege ishobora kugeza hano.
All right, let's move out to the runway. Follow me at the double. Come on.
Kuri runway hamwe indege parika. abandi bazakura umunya kubala imbani mumustamisha ngaho afatira ku kazuba
Wild Goose, you read over?
ini Wild Goose muratwumva bava
The radio's Russian, but dials right.
bari avuga ariko nakubita
Hi man, Wild Goose, you read over?
aya ni mani ni Wild Goose muratwumva bava baraje tu mwicare mutuze
Wild Goose, this is Iron Man meeting you think for.
Don't Wild Goose imeze bitova
Iron Man, goose yourself in here, we're waiting.
unategereje over kandi roja
Out, I feel bloody marvelous.
kiraho ngaho
I heard a plane shot.
Tume ndanye nyakubahwa wangu utagira ibintu umwe ufite gahunda wajya mu cyuma bafasha batobora kwita mu bundi akenge karaza Ndege yarije ko kugomba kubakura ngaho ndege nini cyane kuri Zimbala airport
Sounds like you're southeast of us.
sound like we're southeast of us iburasirazuba bw'amajyepfo over
There it is.
ndiri yawe ndege agomba kubakura ngaho yarishe bagomba gutaha
No, you're still.
Limbani wewe chara kibazo chara wowe kibazo Mr. Limbani Kwa kama nuko commandos barategereje aturere ibyishimo ni bwose urakaza neza urisanga wo kapfa ngwino tujyane kintu cyangari we Ejo kwa kajera parking babyita parking yarandinze bagita landing ni kuri runway nagatangaza ugirangishira kata ifite fura nk'imodoka yanjye kape turakapa
Charlie 1, the message is
Charlie
pass
1.
them by.
ubutumwa ni baratubwira ngo twongere bagurutse ndege zaparitse over kana gatangaza kandi batwereje baratubwira ngo subire
One message to see you, we'll go.
nabumva over mugarura indege abasore mutabaza na over
Hi man, what's going on?
Mani ni bicho jamere over indege yari imaze kulandinga hasi
Get him up.
mwagurutse dutahe kumba barahagurutse batabizi neza indege barayibwe ngo isubire mu kirere bagara ho gataw bataw yerekera ikirere reba kwa mudusize aya ni mani mudutahe mute over rebe bas
Orders, good up to you. Orders? Orders, we're stopped. Who's Charlie 1 Alan?
miniki bamwe barebye nk'impaga ushoboye kureba nk'isatra ureba nk'ikinyogote kare uko bishatse ureba nk'impundu nuko abareba nk'imimbi bakunda kwita ikinya hamwe nuko
Being double crossed.
batugambaniye we have been double crossed batugambaniye turiyo ku giti cyacu we are on our own
Jock? No.
Jock,
We need more transport. Find it. I
we
want
need more transport dukeneye transport zirenzeho shaka nonaho
ammunition and weapons you can.
hanyuma kandi mufate intwaro zose n'ibiturika mushoboye turavana ku ngufu z'Imana ku ngufu zacu hanyuma baza ari batatu
I thought we had this in the bag.
naketse ko tubirangije
There's a man called Matheson who has a lot to answer for.
umugabo witwa Matheson watwohereje afite byinshi byo gusubiza he has a lot to answer for
Sir Edward Matheson, he's the money.
Edward Matheson niwe uri inyuma y'ibyo byose
But then Rufus, he doesn't need Limbani anymore.
asa nawe atagikeneye Limbani na rimwe kubera iki Limbani asa nawe
Saved
yasimbuye
$500,000. The rest of us.
bisa naho amafaranga yose ari kuzaduhemba aratugurishe ngo twese turangirire hano
Pray for my friend.
Limbani
They will.
basore turataha
All right, Raven. I'll get up.
turataha turi bake ariko dutahe wiki
Within the hour, we're going to have the whole of Duff's bloody army down us like a ton of bricks.
uraca hepfo ahantu hose
And,
twazengurutse
I'd rather have Witty treat my hemorrhoids.
ufite ikintu utekereza
Raven, we've got 10 minutes. You're the planner.
dufite iminota 10 tubitekerezo ubu tuva hano
I've got something to say to you.
dufite icyo nshaka kubabwira
I'll give it to you emotionally first, and then rationally if I have to. This man, Matheson. Well, he gave us the royal screwing of all time. Now, my first instinct is to give it back to him a bit bigger.
Yes.
uyu mugabo Matheson ni ukuvuga ngo ashaka kutugurisha asigarane amafaranga sinibyo gusa yavuganye n'abandi Limbani nta kintu agikeneye akimukeneyeho ni waduhaye mission yo kugira tujyane Limbani umuyobozi ukomeye mu Bwongereza
Somebody God knows, maybe we can even win it.
natwe urabona ko ntacyo tumaze
Now, you listen to me, Rafer. I've got 50 good men down there. Their lives are my responsibility. I'm not...
urumva mfite abasore 50 bari hasi bose ni inshingano zanjye hano nakumvikana kwanjye
Just get on with it and get us out of here.
nugushaka uburyo tuvana kandi ku ngufu buri wese nafata intwaro ndakumva ariko intwaro abantu 50 kurwana n'igihugu kizima
Burundi.
ufite icyo gitekerezo kitaho
Well, Indocus planes will pick us up like ducks. They wouldn't let us into Burundi anyway. Not a wonder. Zambia's too far, and,
Zambia iri kure hanyuma ntabwo twabanga ngo twerekere muri Rwanda ni umurwa mukuru wa Angola ntabwo ari u Rwanda mister mujye mufata ibintu
Exactly.
ko bimeze none
Limbani country. Now I know it well.
Zimbala nande hano dushobora kuba twahabona ni ikibuga gito indege hagwa rimwe none mu kwezi
Away to Kalima. Or what's in Kalima? Limbani was...
twerekera hereka yitwa muri Kaniva ni hehe Limbani ni wavuka
The only chance we have of accomplishing something from this whole fucking mess
niyo dushobora kuba twabona abantu byibuze bamushigikira nibo baduhisha gatoya byose niko twataye n'umwanda
to run to. So what?
batangira kwisubira nabo batongana ntabwo bumvikana uburyo bagomba gufata inzira
Cause it.
What? Limbani. He's the best there is. Words from your own lips.
Limbani niyo mahirwe yacu gutaha
Matheson.
Peterson ibitekerezo
You know, Rafer, sometimes it's almost a pleasure knowing you.
rimwe na rimwe biranshimisha nkumenya
Let's do it.
kuko umenya birashimisha
Let's do it.
reka tubikore let's do it
That would help me have my hands on me.
Nari yagaza Limbani mfashe nzagira wacu amahoro gusa kumbe Limbani kumwangira nako kumuhinduka dore abandi bari bavuye gusinya ibipapuro ubwongereza bamaze kwemerera ko bemewe ni leta yemewe allo
Call me back when you get confirmation.
uze kumpamagara I need some confirmation nkeneye kongera kumva nanone ibiti bimeze nk'ibyo reconfirmation aricyo bita confirm na reconfirm
He was to honor it. Oh, he will.
cyo ni icyongereza please narasomye ibitabo ntasomye bya RCBS kariwe urakoze kunsindisha ariko urakatsindwa bafashe inzira abazi imihanda y'inaha nibo bake gusa icyo bazi bagiye kwerekera aho Limbani avuka amayira bacamo mister hey dore ibibunda bazanye
Rafer!
kirarwana
They don't build bridges like this anymore.
Yes, well, it'll go up with a hell of a bang.
aho bageze batangira kwikanga amahanda ntabwo twapfa kuhaca gutya
Throw.
nshaka kuvuga iki ni ahantu hitaruye kandi umuntu atapfa kwisera nakunda ariko twerekere twihuta kandi
Go.
mugende njyewe nsigare mugende abahenda ubwenge bageze ku kiraro n'ahantu hirengeye hameze nko mu kibaya undi nawe ajya mwihera inyuma maze
Come on, man.
igeze imbere y'abapfiriyeho naho baragira atawoka papa genda bite yanze kwaka asa n'ugambanara
Hey, what's up?
bagiye bumva amajwi y'indege kandi zimwe zirwanya indege shayo yabatwika nuko mwamuri bangahe indege y'irwanya yaraje mu minota mike cyane iyo
Keep out here. Let's come on.
muriya kavari tekaba sasa menshi cyane naje bacaho
Just get him in across the face. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on.
muriya kavari yagarutse kadege noneho kabaturutse imbere batamike cyane kabakura bakoramo gacaho arongera akagaruka kugaruka gafite uruntu rumeze nk'urugunguru munsi yako ruriya rugunguru ushabuye ko rwohereje wareba ikibi yewe urasura iki ari indege karaje maze kakagaje kare kuri urugunguru yegiriga yi batangiye buri washiririye yicaye wabohereje Jefferson niwe mugambanye kuruta abandi
Not even Jesus could get through that lot.
Wild geese.
You all right, sir?
Umesanya ko imbani abacari musima arareba abantu barimo kumupira
Silence! Let me back the ball plane before you can cross by that fire! We'll get moving! Deter them away from us! We've trusted Limbani lower down!
hagati harimo umuriro yewe muntu trash hakurya bandi hakuno zari kubira rusara hiye indege yikomereje
Right off. Complete right off. Yes?
West Smith and Robertson, sir.
yakuba hano ara ngomere zikambaye kabisa nyakuba
Limbani.
siniko twabakura mwe mujyane Limbani je baba bakomeretse cyane batatambuka reka nzamwere ko tubagenza arazara begera ko muri musore mututsa naho muze dore baka gaturundu era dukora iki
The Simba.
ntabwo twamwikorera ntiyakira
The volunteers.
niko mwereza aho garupisi mwereke uruki urupisi
Suppose I do.
hano banaje nakindi nakora shiramo Nabanje namureba mwikira kugira ngo akomeze ababari nanone bagiye kumujyana yegura gatwe ke muretse tuza neza nkwereke giye kukunosha aramunosa areba nundi aramunosha rimba narikanga yagiye abanosha bombi buhoro rimba nikangamo
Keep going for about another hour.
dukomeza tugende biraza kudufata nk'isaha it will be like about an hour
Counting the colonel's crew, 32 including 6 walking wounded, sir.
Sergeant Major umwe abatozaga nabo batwaye mu kamodoka ni wimbe ni uyoboye amayira Sergeant Major
Sir.
saza ari hano ya ndege commandos ubiko nta nubwo bagenda abantu bagira imitima tegeza bagenda ukuntu bapfuye nta n'umurimo kuri reka dawe shatugende uritisha pusha bakakunosha niko rimbani kwamba nurimo kunanirwa nawe uragira ngo tugutoneke nk'abari abinyuma ko tubagende tugutoneke baragutoneka ciao
And then I'll take him.
komeza umurwazi rimbani nyakwanda muheka kimwe cyo muri Afrika y'Epfo okay ngwino muheka cyangwa cyangwa birabura
All right. Yeah, I'll take point.
Let me carry him, Lieutenant.
No way. Just hang on, Captain.
Kape pus shara mututsi aragenda kizi
Red like you, white man.
uva wa muzungu
Be careful.
ba maraso nkawe nuzojya kunyita kefa gahunda kefa arongera mutuka n'icyo kizungu cyo muri Afrika
South
y'Epfo
Africa. South Africa.
uturuka muri Afrika y'Epfo
Met Jan Smuts a long time ago. He was a good man.
nayo nawe n'uwarubaye witwa Jafasi yari umugabo mwiza
Now shut up.
wewe madamo we nawe akinga umuntu wese wari wamaze bavuye ku rugerero nkatwe umugabo arakomeye ariko ikigo kinabo cyitaho cyangwa bamukaraje shaho ariko kira muhera ya ndege ni muri operation yo kubahiga ndaje kureba hasi babikomeye rimwe n'ibyo bari mu kigo mandos data unaza bene kigo nimbani yarongera gikuru bamukaraje nashaka yi kefa
Just to talk.
ndashaka kuvugana nawe just talk uvuga
I know wonder you're a politician.
niyo mpamvu uri umunyapolitiki
Get anyone to talk.
mugira umudomo munini
Over 2 years.
maze imyaka 2 nta muntu tuvugana
Prison guard.
nari mboyi itavugirwa n'abavugishwa n'abantu
Turned them into killing me.
Now you're trying the same on me. Christ, go to sleep, man.
byama mugabo
Man,
mugabo
that's an improvement over Kefa.
ututse imbere none uvyibuze ntabwo unyise kefa unyise umugabo wewe mugito that's an improvement not kefa sawa wivugisha cyane mwe muguzi kubwa abanyapolitiki genda rasa gusa
If you were asking me whether I understand the politics of my own country, the answer is no, all right?
ubaje nibyo nzi kuri politiki y'igihugu cyanjye
You
simbi
had an equal opportunity to neglect your education. What would you like to do there?
Shaka gutaha muri Afrika y'Epfo shaka
In a
gukora
place of my own.
ni wacu.
That's all saving your life means to me. A chance to work my own land as a free man.
Gutabara ubuzima bwawe nibyo byatumye ngaruka muri Afrika shaka gutaha iwacu. Okay, uri umunyafrika.
Only one thing to remember about Africa.
Hari ikintu ugomba kwibuka umunyafrika.
Today,
Uyu munsi
freedom is only a word for a new oppressor.
byibuze ukwikira ukizana kwawe gutangiye
South
kuza
the South.
wagarutse muri Afrika.
If you want to live here,
Niba ushaka hano
you better think about tomorrow.
ugomba gutekereza ejo hazaza. If you want to live here, you better think about tomorrow. Urumva? Bastard. Avuga birabura abazungu ibyo biratwubaka bityo ukapfa. Ukaragera mwigisha ashaka kugira ngo abeho ejo nako abeho neza muri Afrika. Ni ugutekereza ejo hazaza hawe. Atari kubanza kureba ngo uyu nguyu nuriya yewe nduyu nguyu akuna. Reba ibibazo waganye nabyo ni iby'ubuzima we. Yasikari we. Yasikari. Mandos, ngabo baje hey. Abantu bari mupere rutangira kubona buhoro buhoro. Barafite ukuntu bagenda. Ewe ja. Yagera mufite ibicuro ngo kapfa.
South Africa could see you now.
Oh, Kappa. If you think you can ride me through the bush like a bloody mule and laugh at me.
Urachaye kuraza gukomeza umbwira hanyuma nkomeze nkumvire. Mano kabuna gakwita ka president. Nimira.
You people on our back
Ati cyakoma.
came to this country.
It's the other way around, isn't it? Is it?
You need me to save your miserable black life right now, don't you?
Uranyene kujana n'abuzima bwawe.
Then you may need me to save yours.
Nawe ushobora kunyina gutaba
Other
bwawe.
white men.
Uramba wa muzungu.
Hey.
Twembi twakinana.
World using us now. Setting group against group. Destroying Africa.
Abantu benshi bapanga intambara bagapanga ikipe birwani nindi bagapanga kugira ngo Afrika tumarane.
A bloodbath is coming.
Warangeza tukagenda duhigana ngo umuzungu urimo urahiga umunyafrika mugenzi wawe.
Black when you whites have left Africa for good.
Abazungu ni muva muri Afrika twe natwe ubwacu tuzongera dusubirane.
And now you are kicking us out of almost all of them. You're living on foreign aid.
We barabafasha we.
Oh, blind.
Twebwe abazungu baje muri Afrika nitwe tubafasha. Nuko tubana tukabana kugwa.
Big bleeding batches.
Urumva?
Once you have something better to offer, then you come talk to us in the White South.
Nimurangiza kumva ko muteye imbere gatoya kuzaza tuvugane.
Listen to me.
Nyumva abagabo.
Because the white South is next unless you learn.
Oh, bullshit. We whites were born here. We are just as African as you are, and
Turi abanyafrika nkamwe hanyuma kandi.
we are going to stay.
Turi hano ntabwo tuzaba.
Hear that?
Niba ufite
You
ingingo.
better join us.
Niba utanuko wakunyiyungaho tukiyungana.
And you?
Twiyungaho.
We've got to learn to care for each other.
Dufite ubutaka tugomba kwitaho twembi. Tuna Afrika.
And our battlefield.
Ibi utanuko wakwivana mu byo by'ukuri umuzungu muri Afrika ukabivanamo ko n'umukara muri Afrika tukita ubutaka bwacu.
I have the will to look forward.
Mfite intekerezo zo kuzagera ku ngingo nk'iyi.
Past.
I have the will to look forward.
For the present.
Nazabona igisubizo cy'uko abanyafrika turekera ku Rwanda.
Men, we have no future.
Atari ibyo dukomeje guhangana ubwacu ntazaza hari.
That's what I'm willing to die for.
Nzemera mpire n'ibyo nigisha ko tugomba kuba umwe.
You're beginning to sound good to me.
Wakigabo utangiye kuvuga ingingo. You was beginning to sound good to me. Ngutangiye kuvuga neza ibyo numva noneho. Mfite ubwenge wakigabo.
All right.
Gitangiye kumushima. Mbere cya mugayaga nubwo cyari kimuheto cya mutuka.
Just to find out.
We no garuka nguheke ariko komeza baririze nk'ibyo. By'ukuntu tuzabumwe ngwino nguheke. Kirongera kiraheka umunyafrika yari afite ingingo. Ntabwo nongera no kwita kefa. Bageze aho ubuturage bwarishe ko nyakari wowe katwa kapuye. Napuye mu napuye we napuye. Napuye we. Napuye. Bari muri bye bye. Bituriye muri bye bye. Naka abanyafrika bakabaje biruka. Wacha biruka igiturage barashaka. Niwe datuwe. Ngurube yacu. Wakapamwe kukimisha agatungo niko. Murigira Yesu hano bari wayoheje mu nyanja.
No more than
Padiri ari gusakuza abandi baraparika.
women and children, ready, wait for the storm.
Bakore ni matoka wabo jazu. Ayo padiri gikubita abasirikare. Padiri baragwita. We thank me. Tuzi. Thank me yari karakashije hano. Thank me baramuturira yombere. Afende ufite n'ikiburi we thank me.
You and your guns, I am. We need
Munda zanyo nzibonye ndabyanga. Uraho.
more of your brothers.
Ntabwo n'umuvani wanyu. Ndakiye kuri. Thank me arasuhuza. Yiza kukubona thank me.
Despise the sight of you. I want you out of my village.
Ndashaka kujya muva mu giturage cyanjye. Usigaye na confess kandi. We natugenda gutwara abaturage bawe kapte. Kandi ngabo barimo barazamuka. Ba mu mazi. Karajya Rihan. Sana abanyafrika bina ariko ntabwo ari wina we yavuze gusapa kugera muri Afrika hose ni wa. Ubanze iki? Yes iki. Imbani. Cyagabo cyatangiye kumwitaho cy'umukara. Nako kikizungu cyo muri Afrika y'Amajyepfo. Wa musaza udafite iminwa wifite ntabwo ari. Rebe data we. Commandos. Aho wita makuzimu bahita mu rugo kugira ngo babe yo utuze. Niba utanabizo bimenye. Well, call hell, they call it home. Aho wita habi ukatinya nawe tujya ngatinya bakajya gutura yo ukabona gutuza. Narize nyine katsindwa. Kumbe. Ko ikinumba. Ni bisiba gina. Zayi kanda bare gereza bane. Kuriya. Kumbe iki giturage bacemo. Hey, uzi ko umuntu uri gutera umubona ukamureba muzehe. Hey. Wele. Ajab. Dikangam.
Back here.
Get it.
Lovely asses out of
Banyak kabar. Banyak. Bagaimana?
Stay down.
Dah suka apa? Asal.
You lovely. Show yourselves.
Bidu apa kamu? Banyak. Hey. Untuk kau, ini memang isu dia. Jadi mana agak cerah. Kau mau ramai dah. Kita sama bihom, bawa jangan sama bihom. Mana mau nyuruh mau. Banyak. Jadi siapa yang mau? Meniko. Mereka orang jadi aku jenuh gani. Saya jadi habis. Hari ini.
Come on, beauties. Where are you?
Mari, hey. Abang di mana musuh kamu sih? Hey. Irakurura. Yewe. Ni mipanga sha.
My, yes.
Mwana nyakale ndapuye tu. Yewe.
We can't be.
Abana yagatoye umugabo afite ukuru. Mute. aba bacikishije limbani baramucekera ibigabo biramanuka we birasaka indi kipe yaje enada together brother enada together mada primira
You're welcome.
wewe ako tugenda uganiriza cyagiri gikundi cyakunze ibiganiro tugenda ubwira kuru tuzabumwe bari bageze mu giturage abango bamurindiye inyuma yewe kumbe bamurindiye hafi barimo kugenda ndika turore ko ahantu bari simbizi dore bihurumana nyagaza n'intare yagufatira hano ayo cyo numva niki kiri ikipe ndapfuye iki Udeka Kajya kibiri makujya kwaje Bawo yuba mwaje benshi karajya agarutse kutabara
Don't worry.
Tuza wenda aje ndabanguhetse sha ndabanguhetse ngira mikino ngira twararimbana Kubera uruzima Ay kadata yewe Wild Geese niyo turora the one video library ariko kukimbazanira filme nkizi nimunampembe ko kuneza icyaka bwa hino tugende nange kugutabara kap nakize Komanda zabandi bari bumvisha amasasu bava mu giturage baje kureba mugenzi wabo bavuye kwa Padiri Senkimiri bari kubatabara mugenzi we Baya ayetse limbani bamuhe no mukabo Wose we bamuhe mukabo nahagarara kugaba cyane masasu Yari rukata gonga kigabana nimbana hakurya bamurasha shawo mugenzi wabo Baya gasket limbana ko cyaka mutayi bari bakirashe kirashe mu ndashaho kinda kigwa kubagabo kimwe
You go fast.
genda mbere
No.
ntabwo nshobora kefa ntabwo nagusiga cyakomeje kumutuka kirimo gupfa narakubonye umugabo ufite ubwenge buzima umugabo ngaba yabirabura n'abazungu muri Afrika ntabwo ari ukwiye gupfa nubwo je napfa please don't die ngo gupfa cyabwiraga limbani ngo nakwiye gupfa mbere cyane kimupinga shawo gipinga birabura cyatangiye kubona ko ari mabazima wipfa yewe umbe ubuzima bwari hari bamurasha umugabo limbani nawe abantu babi yabonye ko bava amabezu yangaga birabura kubi kubera intambara bagiye barwana muri Afrika y'Epfo hari cyitwa appetite ivangura ibishingiye ku ruhu bavuye mu giturage na suri nyuma we abavuye mu giturage cyo kwa wa musaza Padiri Senkimiri limbani yabajwe n'umugabo upfuye bapfuye bafata limbani
President.
no president tuvyano president limbani yanze kurekura umugabo yabaye n'abandi bari bafite ivangura barapaga nk'ubu byo butagapfa yemeye ko abantu bashobora kuba umwe limbani yaramaze kumwigisha koko baramufashe Cyamuza nyendaga gutaha ntabwo atashe barongera limbana hekwa n'undi mukarage Abanyafrika limbani bari bamwitewe ko yishaba bongereza bari baje baturoni
Izwile kahle kulungile Roger out Bamashuma babini sanu babeke kujenya mapanoi baphuma eKhalima village
urumva ikirimi
Unizwe zonke. Ziwana kuje? Una kumanje sure. Mangiala lapha. Ukuka Sure.
kiravugwa urumva ikirimi kabana n'abakule kalabara ntabwo nabivuga jewe ndabyaze none ese ko mwamaye gusobanura icyongereza
Like my people to rise up and fight.
ndashaka kujya kubwira abaturage banje bahagurukira barwana
Yes, so would I. But I think spears against machine guns was not a plan.
abaturage babashobora gupfa bagashira ariko nkuko mubibona spears against machine guns amacumu ntabwo yahangana na machine gun tugomba gushaka kujya tuvana hakikare abaturage badashira limbani nubwo bishyira mu gaciro abaturage bashobora gushaka umurwanira bafite uducumu ntabwo bahangana
All this with him. God knows you know how much I love to do it, but we haven't got a chance.
dufite amahirwe yo kuba twabana no limbani hakikare kuko mubibona
About an hour ago, there's more following.
barimo kudukurikirana kuko ibigano byose birimo gupanga birashaka kubafatirana muri iki giturage
Command, what are we supposed to do? Walk out of Africa?
So we could try running. Alan, please. The simple fact is, they've got nothing to fight with.
You'd know it.
ukuri nuko ari nacyo dufite turimo kurwanira dushaka ahantu twabona ikibuga cy'indege vuba ariko twavana Padiri Senkimiri kumbe yarazanye abakuru b'igiturage babakuru babo mbese abaturage
It is true. I didn't truly believe the rumor.
ntabwo bigeze bizera amagambo
Your Faulkner.
That's right.
Don't call me father, you murdering pig.
I haven't got time to discuss my finer qualities with you now. Just get those elders in here to have a look at it.
aba n'abakuru b'abaturage b'intangaha n'abatwari bashaka kuvugana na perezida wabo mana nyagasani uzi ko batubwiye ngo warapfuye ndwara bagimande ukabona ubwera umunsi mana we
Sinalindele kubona ngesole nyama.
amubwira iki kuri
To speak with my people alone.
bakobwa n'abaturage banje nyenyine mu bari mu makanya yewe data we niko bravo natubwiye ko ushwe rwose n'uburoro
Civil war here, Faulkner. You'll be responsible for slaughter and starvation, the likes of which you've never imagined.
baraza kwashe n'ubwicanyi mutazigera mwiseri biruta nuko mwavana mbere yuko baza kubahiga bahiga hano bakica abaturage bari hano bakabishinja mwebwe
So I'm against you. And God's against you. And if you'll excuse the blasphemy, we're tough sons.
abakurikiye barimo barabarwanya n'Imana mvuganye nayo nayimbwiye ko irimo kubarwanya nimuve hano mugende bagira ra
In spite of Limbani, I cuss you from every hilltop. All right, that's enough. The decision is being made in there.
birahagije widusakuriza umwanzuro urafatwa na Limbani okay ndabyemera ariko ntabwo mumbabaye sibyo mugende sengero rwanjye barusenya icyacumise ubwo aho mwagiye mugire
What did you say? What?
A Dakota.
it's all right. I've flown in it. And there's nothing between it and us but a deserted village.
ntabwo ikindi gihari hagati yanyu natwe na rwango ruhari gusa n'iki giturage cy'abaturage bagiye gushirira hano
In peace.
mumbare mugende mahoro, please live in peace. Mwana tugende muri abaturage bacu rwose icyo mbonye hasi ikina
If they stand and fight now, they will die.
barahaguruka
They know it.
babyemeye, they know
They were
it,
willing.
barabyina nabishaka.
I can't do that, Mr. Faulkner.
ntabwo nakora ayo makosa nyakubahwa Faulkner, ndababwiye bo kurwana gutse bana tugende.
I told them to bear their pain and wait to be ready for Limbani's return,
ndababwiye bitondere ibitekerezo byabo
without understanding why.
nubwo ushaka kurwana za mashini gani bakoresha uducumu twabo.
Joab.
urabizi mzee, uvuze ingingo ahubwo wowe reka tukujyane.
Got your bargain. Praise God.
hanyuma padiri rero niba washaka gusigarana amahoro n'urusengero rwawe n'imbata z'Imana uyoboye, reka inkoko twebwe z'Imana tuve hano, imbata zisigare. Komando bara maze kugira abaturage bapari benshi. Kwitegura bagabo, usigara agapfa mureba over.
Made the right decision, Alan.
Limbani made it, I didn't.
Well, he can't.
Nimbani aramaitamo yakoze.
Guess what we do with him once we get him out?
Who knows? I may be backing elsewhere, another contract.
You never quit, do you?
If I did, I wouldn't have a future, would I? Also,
icyo tuzi nuko tutari butinde ku cyane, tukaba twabonye duhagurukira indege kwibona nibyo bibona intambara no kurwana wiri. Yewe batawe, yewe muraje, yewe filime yanyu birunguka rwose, mwashoye neza muri mu nyungu ngubu.
Hey, boys. There she is, over there.
hari urumva dore ngiri rwose niyo yanzanye ndi waje parinze kubwiriza ubutumwa. Ako rero kayisansi umuntu bagasuka amazi no gufata urupira rw'amazi bakagakura mu nguru basuka
Come on.
yewe bagis ndege barayibye twahirya ukagwa ku musozi wo hakurya basi maberaje kumbe batewe shari gabo biramanutse shabo biraza mukanya birabamanuka nabo bimwe biraminuka umusozi birabamanuka bumirwa nimba ni nguwo muzanye kuri burankari karaburankari barerekere ku ndege baragenda uko bishakira nagwa twiga biri inyuma birimo birihuta we iki cyambere iki nakibonye we nakibonye muce mbere yenda ati muce arasutama gicho nacho mubona yewe byo birasupapa yewe filime yanyu mirunguka mwashoye hazima nta nyungu mubonye we buri muntu nasuzume muvuka we.
you go ahead. Great.
Radio cyabo
Rear guard.
murabibona ko rwose nagaje wenyine buriya rero hanyuma wosa nabo woka pa wesigarana nabo.
There's no one around. You can't call me Alan. Yes, sir.
Bo ibikoresho barabiteguye shabo babaga batungukira indege dore ibikoresho biri hafi.
Back and don't start up until we get there. I'm only quiet.
Ngo gwagurutse indege natwe mpaka tuhageze ariko nanone mwamuyakisha.
Take the premises. You're likely to get your sainthood shut off. I do that.
Yenda imani bafashe gusanda basenge.
Good luck to you, godless murderers.
Mujyana bikira Maria barindire mu nzira hanyuma nimutagera mumenye ko yasinziriye mwiyambaza Yesu. Kasubire mu mbata z'Imana nkuko murabeho. Inkoko z'Imana, imbata z'Imana niba bari mu rusengero ngo bazajya mu ijuru nizo mbata za Yesu. Inkoko muramenye rero nimuzajya mwivanga n'imbata. Bigaba yewe. Yego. Yewe. Ko muri benshi buri amasasu yabo simeshi nayo. Filime ya menyarata yacu kabisa.
Losing light.
Abategeka bababwiye nibagurutse indege kirikana bahageze.
Lead the men.
No, we don't know whether.
Wa musaza wifite akenge nta muntu wagira aba bajya ngo rwose Yesu yaragiye maze afata icyuma tumurita amahaza akenge niwo muntu wito aka barite nitubona bataza vuba baratatu yakiriza indege bashobora gushirira twe natwe tukaguhana kuri bibunda bafite shaho tangira gutegura ibigabira muturi basi hey position bafata position dore ikiva mu mukanana uragiye ikiva mu kintu kimeze nk'umukanana biga mu ko ntabwo mwebwe namwe murareba neza utareba nakazi cyariko ku cyumuntu yicura ari impumyi mugamba mu myaka yishiye make ya verisenke anga icyaka bimbese urakapfa na utageza amatwi nk'ayanjye icyo niki bara bishota ibirada kumbe babyiteguye amushi
You're not dead until I tell you you're dead, understand?
kare kwamba ngubwira umva muswe nace mafuzo tarajya bastard birishora bitegure wait utagereza amush Wait, utangire indege batubeshaga bije batubeshaga turika wo kapfa bajya ambush ye baragutonoye itoto muzaye cyane mejo tubaye birukanga bi mugenda mufate mwoka kabe birime allo araka mugenda biracyari we abasubiza ye yaturutse impande zose shamu napfuye tu wowe buretse dusubire abagabo baratunesheje abagabo over maso advance kurikira abagabo imbani yisinziriye murasane cyane mujisho ah Limbani mushaka kurya mwerekeza ku ndege abandi turasigara tumurindiriye tugire sha Limbani yiryamiye kabisa murasana tu
We have to wait for Sandy in the group if they get through.
Karakara bagenda banosha umwe bakabanosha umwe ninde banosha Limbani bakonosha wapi ndege barayibona imbere yabo
Set up on the edge of the airstrip.
abandi murinde mpaka Limbani ageze kuri airstrip aho indege yagurukira tugire natwe tujye kubitoneka we kurira ku ndege tangira Roger Moore Shanfin kwa Limbani amene achibazo injini ya mbere rafi ya kabiri nabwira arungurutse yako na nabwira cyako wa wundi wafunguwa kanwa kubera icyuma cyaciyo kabira cyase ndege bagatanze abandi barerekera indege maze moteri zombi ziraka ifite byiri gusa kuvuga ngo imwe yanze yambitse cyangwa imwe bayipimye ifite barabanosha Limbani bamukurira hasi barimo barabanosha mugire bari nayo biramaisha bigwaje se muzee biranonetse bari baramutonetse indege barayitoneka birava bashaka birava wenda bagutoneka gatafari we batangiye kuduti wigenda ukapfa gusuta kwebwe turaba abantu bari baramutonetse asoka mukanana tugende bagabo kubiga biracaza Jangan apa-apa, mereka begini baru apa? Baratone kamu jangan kamu sibuk kiki komeris.
Wait, when you hit the ground, start running. We cover you. Run like hell.
Itu jalan terlalu ini. Ngokap yang nggak ngaman, nggak mau kajian itu pas segera barindi. Ini baru mutu neka. Udah batanya kuit. Saja meja, wa musaza batoshe. Hasi. Barakurura. Kamu pinyo mutuz.
Steven, he's dead.
Gapo ya mereka tugende. He's dead. Ya pako kurura kumbe wapi muni arangi. Nana ni batisiga kweli. Abo kavuga ukapa uminzi. Nanje mufasha nanje da. Araka manjim. Abandi, muze sigara biramureba. Biki? Bira cyahari. Biga cyahari.
Shot! Jump the bloody plane!
Shani waga tinaje.
First one we had it.
I can't see. Shobora twatewe nako benshi. Muze. Baradusize tu. Baradusize nene mfisa sasa ariko. Bimunda kwere. Undi baramunosha. Baramutonetse tewe tambuna nto. Muze sha muze. Undi baramutoneka. Bimunda barabinaze katambaye baramutoneka kumbandasha makamuna munsunike. Babo kabana abo. Awamanzi wachikoje wamanzi. Bigabo baramutonetse mukaburu ba. Bino baramutonetse mukaburu mwigendere biranze mwigendere. Mwana yagasa. Kunyita we. Basi nyitse wakakana gatoya. No I can't see shobora. Emil. Bikole. Yiri mugenzi we. Gabo. Wakakana gatoka ari mubwongereza Champagne ukurikije indege n'amasasa arimo kuyiza bamutoboyemo n'abakaguru utwaye indege yenze kuyaguruka katorori koze ibyibuka mugaba wese agomba gukora ari hatiriza iza ndege zigira feri n'izi modoka yanjye zikagira umuriro nk'imodoka yanjye kaguru barakarasha ariko arangara kandagira ibyo bagabo bakora barakandagira kaguru karanga ku balancing ariko arangara kandagira indege ngiye mu kirere umusore basizanye mananye muri ya mugabo wari ukiri muto ufite akana mubwongereza byarabariye kumbe umuhaye
Where to? South.
tugiye unda south mu majyepfo
800 miles, they don't wear the fuel. We better have it. There's no...
ntabwo twagera yandi ndakeka n'amafuta dufite ibirutse no kwakora ibishoboka indege bayipakizaga amafuta yo kugungura make
Simbas would have cut him up into small pieces. Alan Gunsey, how the men are. 13 on his left line.
yaza kuvuga ikibazo afite nuko bamurashe
Tell them to get us and everything that's not nailed down. Everything, do it now. Sir, Limbani's getting worse.
nyakuba Limbani arimo araremba ahubwo nyakuba arimo araremba Limbani baje gutora nawe ubuzima buri habi nambara barwanye.
It was a very good try, Mr. Faulkner.
It's not over. Just hang on, sir. Don't give up now.
Ihangane nyakuba ntabwo byarangira. Don't give up now. Barwanye intambara nziza kuntabara.
There was nothing else to do.
indege nacyo batwaye amavuta ni makeya nawe ugitwaye bambura ashaka kugura amaraso arimo aramuvamo ari menshi nibwo yibutse kuyafunga mugenzi we amaraso yaramaze kumuvamo uyu nawe yapfuye apfuye kabisa ndabizi.
All right. We have to get everything on board. Includes old John. See to it does.
Yes, sir. General, get his legs.
How's the fuel?
Bad. We're on auxiliary tanks. Salisbury Control, 9 at Quebec. November X-ray.
barahamagaye mugenzi
66.
indege bashaka kugira ngo bayiparika muri Afrika y'Epfo aho bakekaga ko ari ikibuga abahinzira.
We are a mercenary unit departing Kalima. 7 wounded on board. Urgently request permission to land.
basaba uruhushya rwo guparika turabarimo guparika bari batumwe kuri mission ninjye zatamweza ko mutarabanza dufite umuyobozi Limbani kwa Limbani
You need positive proof that you're on board.
twagaragaje kuri muri board
Down.
Alan? Reading you, strength 4. Over.
Permission to land denied. Do not cross our borders under any circumstances.
permission to land denied.
Please take man, we wounded on board. We can sort it out later. Over.
Dufite ingomere mu ndege
Attempt to cross our borders.
ntabwo byemewe guparika hano ntabwo twigeze tubatumira muri genzwa n'iki bantu mbabwira
We'll be forced to shoot you down.
Salisbury, X-ray Alpha. Now you listen. We have Julius Limbani aboard and he's alive.
dufite Julius Limbani mu ndege kandi muzima
Get into the highest division you can.
amavuta mu ndege yadushiranye
Mr. Limbani says there was a secret meeting in July of 1960 on the now Zambia-Zaire border.
Limbani yavuze ko ari inama yagomba kubaho muri za 60 hanyuma kandi inama yagomba kubera ku mupaka wa Zambia yavuze amabanga menshi agaragaza indege amavuta ashiramo Limbani bamugwa we ndende yahise amanura moteri yo hakurya indege yabuze balance ikoresha moteri imwe sigara mu kirere biracyakomeye yendo parike cyane ntabwo ari bukurasa landing zone urabona moteri yo hakurya niyikora ushobora kugenda n'aba mavuta buri yashize muri imwe umenya ko ninda ashobora gushira misayo ryose Limbani.
The man is dead, Mr. Faulkner. Now only the spirit remains.
benshi bapfuye Faulkner nanjye ndumva anyway okay icyabajyanye ntabwo nacyo gikemutse bagiye kuzana Limbani nawe apfiriye twazi ikigo yakomeza gupfira nawe yari yatanari yabazerega bari byinshi n'icyo kirababaje garimo
You'll see them as you come over the lake. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Salisbury.
barabemereye nyuma nako landinga
I heard. Limbani's dead.
Limbani yapfuye Limbani is dead akabuga k'indege bagombaga kugwaho nako kari gato gato fasha za ambulance ziraza abaturage nabo bumva Limbani nawe utari waramwumvishe muri Afrika y'Epfo abanzemo abazungu abamukaraye engine ya kabiri nayo itangiye kwanga moteri ya kabiri nayo itangiye gukora ikintu cyitwa kwikarakasa nya Limbani bari bamubonye baramuzi niwe wenda gakunga abanyafrika y'Epfo abazungu n'abamukarage indege neza moteri ya kabiri yazimye yaparitse wari witwaye nawe Rojamo yarahwereye kubera amaraso yamushizemo komando bariyicariye gusa yapite byinshi azabazamuga babohereza witwa Richardson ukomera cyane kuko bagaparikite muri Afrika y'Epfo mugari marisezerera basimbuye Limbani inama yaringira kamaro inama ni ingenzi ko inama izabazana muri Commonwealth kaba yibere hakuno Commonwealth Limbani ngo yapfuye nawe nakapfe naba bazaza muri Commonwealth bizira mu biro biki harabaparitse yari yatumye ufite ikibazo n'uyu munota uyafite byinshi byo kuzasubira katire abuze umukomando utaye ku rugamba kandi ari wamutumye ariko shawe hey yigira mu kunywa icyayi awagerera ryohawe abantu baza muri Commonwealth tuzajya twakira benshi muri Commonwealth ciao somebody azani ngundi yose silence
Do something more tonight, Sir Edward.
ari byo ushaka kugira ngo baganira muri ijoro nyakubahwa hariho na silence yuko yagejeje mu Bwongereza ntubimbaza gusa ngo yari reka karameye niko karameye ndaza kwekinira kadani abakire buri yasaba abantu yana gusuzugura gusa ugahwera niko
Some other time.
uzakira ikindi gihe
6 servants in the house.
I thought at least 10. How do you make do?
What do you want, Faulkner?
ushaka
Very
fote
bad conversationalist.
Oh, please forgive me. I've had a rather
What's that?
tiresome evening.
wadutaye umva amahoro yarutaga kugira ngo mwebwe mwe mwavaye muri uwo mugoroba hanyuma kandi ibintu bikomeze kuzamba
How did you get in here?
winjiye
I
ute
took a crash course in how to trip burglar alarm wires. Not very safe here.
kumbaza uko ninjiye umenye neza ko utari ufite amahirwe yo kuba warindwa
Yeah,
cyane
I'm back in New England.
Oh, I am indeed.
Well, if I went into details, we'd be here all night. Let's just say it wasn't easy.
No, I'm sure it wasn't. You are a remarkable man, Faulkner.
fone n'umugabo utibagira
Tracks out on you everywhere.
ndaza gukora ibishoboka maze umenyekana ahantu
I
hose
buy myself a pair of dark glasses
nimba niyo umenya ko ushaka kugira ngo azapfire hanyuma ntutwohereze
to worry about.
On me?
That's why I'm here.
niyo mpamvu uriya no kubera ko uri umubeshi yewe
Perhaps we can make an arrangement.
Yes, we can.
ibintu byose ariko narabipanze agafaranga kanyu karari ibyo ndabizi
Also, there are 11 other men still living. I haven't even counted the widows and orphans yet.
nije no kujya ngo menagarira abandi basore bo kibazima hanyuma wowe
After you. And very quietly.
byinshi uri budusobanurire kwanza banza werekera hari sefu mwereke iki sefu ni ububiko ubwo bafite ibiro mu rugo nshaka kugira ngo nesha abantu baje muri Commonwealth bazajya kuboku yabo kandi baje muri Commonwealth
The alarm in the frame. Open it.
open yourself mister fungura safe ya bubiko tirwari yo munzu nana bakiri ku babika amazu yabo mutamenwa
All the money in the case.
amafaranga yose yachamwe vari all money in the case
I see you came prepared.
waje witeguye no kunyiba kufite nadukiya zubagira ndakwibye uri nk'uburoro
My heavens.
sindakwiba
All the bills. I wait till the U.S. Treasury wonders where all that went to.
basore bari bategereje amafaranga menshi
About the arrangement.
There's $500,000 there.
ibintu ibihumbi 50 by'amadolari
Half of what I owe.
nakibumbi 500
Now, I'll lift all the contracts on you and pay you the other half in cash.
ndaza kwishyura ikindi gice muri cash
Will that cost you? You do.
nigute nakwizera miliyoni y'amadolari
Kill you.
ngomba kubikora
Correct.
ahubwo ndakwica oya ntabwo uvuga ukuri you are not correct
No, I had a speech prepared for you. I've been rehearsing it for 3 months. It was pretty good, as a matter of fact. All about the betrayals and dead friends.
inshuti zacu zapfuye kugambana byose biribagirana nawe
Filthy, cold-blooded monster you are.
kubera kuri inyamaswa mbi kandi yica mu maraso rwose nta kibazo ufite
It was very eloquent.
ko nta mutima
Even went
ufite
into the philosophical implications of the relationships between the mercenary and his employer.
biratangaje uburyo twagiye gukora akazi tugenga abamasinari ndetse nawe wadukoresheje umugambanyi
Go through all that.
katugambana ntacyo
See,
dupfa
I don't mind taking money from you.
sintekereza ku mafaranga yo kujya kwambura
For your life with all those bodies littering Africa, it is...
ndatekereza umurambo wawe nawe uza gusigara muri afurika nk'aho bagenzi bacu basigaye hanyuma
So I
muri aka kanya
turned down
ndashaka ku
your arrangements.
gupangira nawe biki biki uzi ko ndi umukire sha umukire
Well,
umva
I suppose you'd better kill me.
You're a remarkable man, too, Sir Edward.
nawe uri umugabo utasibagirana
So I suppose I better have.
bunda
Wait a minute.
buretse hewe hewe data buretse buretse umutima fashe mu wowe abantu urabakinisha uzi ko abantu ari nk'abandi baca umugani mu kinyarwanda ngo umuntu ni umuntu kandi uzamubona ntugakinisha umuntu ariko baramuhaye mugabo baramuhaye nanjye javayo kumbe rojamo yarakiri muzima rojamo wandi utwaye indege uramuhaye se oya nabiketse kutari bumuhi barakize neza ko kitamubabarira barakwerekana kindi bakoze abagabo ko bagafashe inzira bagarutse kwa soka kana wa mugabo warashwe bwa nyuma na nyuma agiye kurira indege agasigara hasi kana agapira baragaterana kana kina
Throw the ball back at me.
mwana muto yabite byawe tanga agapira tanga umupira ndakarebye
Let's talk about your father.
let's talk about your father tugere tuganira ibyaso kana kareme kajya kumva inkuru zase sinzazahera akabwira ati papa yapfuye atya gusa mwibuke neza yasize akabwiye umugabo ngubaye se wuya mwana wanjye godfather umubyara muri batisimu agafilime mugira ngo nirangiye muntu mukuru niba ufite amafaranga yawe ni uburenganzira bwawe kuyarya icaro yarya niba ufite n'abana ntuzabasigira umurage bazihigire yasegari we mwebwe ko muri ubuzima wabasigira umurage namwe mu murya yanyu abana bazihigire bokapfa nuko kagenze yitwa wild geese the wild geese yari yanza kuva mu One Library ndabakunda mana nyagasani bantu mugiye ndabakunda cyane ariko mbakundira impamvu rero nuko mbakunda nuko kagenze turabakunda cyane cyane code name the wild geese niyo twaraga turacyakomeza kurikirana n'ucikwe
Time is running out, so much